Can you give my rules? If the last time I checked, you that Ebuari Alongia or Muma BJ Jotova. I respect you. Anybody want to tell you about me? If you want to believe, Anyanambala, everyone give me this transaction on our WhatsApp and my money point, please.
So what evidence?
Wait, madam, wait. You want? Thank you for dropping that salmon. You want? Abi. Please, make we. I don't know. I don't be better person. I don't get joy, but they try. But if you want to say, if they see me, you gonna see me. You gonna see your future. I rotten like mortuary. Let me tell you, I want to do all those lecture with it. I want to do one. They hear me so? More quite try me. No try me again. I bet no. Where is he? Where is she?
And why you send? Don't you get TikTok money? So she say herself say she be big person. After all, by her she was ranting on that their platform. Like
now where this noise?
Me arrangement, Diego. On from one platform to another.
Listen, Igbo people, see, when they use your account uche, they do one. You go they use your photo, you go they open eye. Those your kurukere, those your kurukere way. No, now it's not good. I want feed poor people. I want feed people everything. Views. Oh no, show views. You can't deliver. You cannot deliver. Because at the end of the day, if not allow peanuts spoil friendship when you get with person, because you don't know future, whether the person will trust you or do business with you when they go in deliver. Now somebody, now they arrest when I start this live stream. Now one of our people for all this for TikTok, right? Now they arrest for I call about 5 people. 2 people now give me $1,000. The three tell me story. I don't want to talk about the story. Now me still cover the other money, send them to his brother for Turkey, but they can't still deport the guy. The guy still reach Nigeria. He sent the money to me for my Naira account. He still give me extra 2 million on top the money. Now somebody when I meet for this TikTok, now I say make I help and buy car for Canada. I buy car where no good because I don't know anything about car. Anything car and gadget, all I know sabi do one. If I see car, if my husband pack car for I'll carry and they drive and they go. If this phone now, I don't even know which make. I don't they use them. This one I don't care. After the phone and they pick call, I will say hello, how are you? I'm okay. The guy, I returned the car. So the person when I return the car, I go give. He give me fake check. Not say that fake check, but the check the check it no go through bounce. But that I want the check to bounce. I did Saudi Arabia. I don't know the check, but I received message from my email. But I did Saudi Arabia. When I come back, now my money, now I carry the guy when I meet for TikTok here. Now my money, now I carry give him back. Because he give me person email. When I go send the money to, I give the money back. You know what I do? So trust. I don't build trust. Forever. Forever. If that guy see where they say I need chop 2 naira, he go say no. He go if he die. If he die, put for the matter. Listen, people they allow all those small change. Make they spoil on our name. It's everything. Say not true. Money, the love of money. Get rich or die trying. The love of money. Mo take me. I dash am 300,000. Say she will collect that one. You dey vex. You still want to collect the 300,000 when I give you on top of the 1 million. You still want to collect 300,000, but you dey vex. If na me dey vex, you that money, I carry my money, give you back. Poverty mentality. I can't trust you. This what you see for this box. So Igbo must go. Samek and News B. What you see for years. So I've known them for 4. That's how to know good people. It's not all about I give you views. Do you know Pella? Do you know that if Ronaldo come live within 2 seconds, they get billions of viewers? What is this all about views? And they got the and they give you views, and they give you views. No, don't do that to me. I don't do that. We are discussing about our people. We're talking about the things happening in Nigeria. We're not here for viewers. We're not here for the views. We are here to preach, to share awareness, to create awareness, to make you understand everything that is happening in Nigeria as an Igbo person, because you are marginalized. You don't know, as an Igbo person, you're marginalized? Yes, you are. That is my work. That's what I do. I'm creating awareness. But no, it's all about trouble. You go into court. You getting charged for this, for that, for that. It's crazy. Let's take it easy. I don't want this thing to stress me. That is the truth. But I'm going to get somebody else that is going to do this giveaway, and I'm going to make another plan for this giveaway. I must do it because I have promised myself for my birthday in Germany. But I said no. Let me come back because the hotel, I want to be loud, right? I want to be loud. The hotel we were is very quiet in a very suburb area. I can't shout there. All this, oh, my flight is tomorrow. Oh, I'm going to because I went to wash my teeth, you know. I said, oh, I'm doing this. Oh, I want to go and see the doctor for my knee because I have a knee pain. I was updating her because I wanted to just carry her along. That is who I am. I will tell you everything. I will let you know. That is who I am. But now this is the highest disrespect. This is the highest disrespect. Honestly, we're still going to do this giveaway. That is the truth. Are you going out? Okay. For my birthday, I told Mother Earth, you guys know I don't believe in God. And I told Mother Earth, I said, listen, I am going to thank you. I'm going to not afford. Some people that cannot, you know, yes, thank you, the universe. People, Nigeria is crazy right now. In Nigeria is crazy. People are going through a lot, and I empathize with these people. I'm a human, man. Fuck this lady. I go deal with this girl, shall I go deal with her. Man, who is calling me? 1 second.
Okay, it's like calm down now. You are just coming now. Calm down. You are just coming.
I brought you up because you said you have evidence of what happened, right?
Joy, don't be there. Can walk before and send out the evidence concerning this Olako, eh? Olako bagote Mbolako newe serious issue with machine lord. Now, to them of Kama de Potayotaria.
That we just bought out. Send your request back. Send your request back.
About machine lord in Rotago. So he was going to platform to beg. So Jere. They are your child jelly because Sana Baralia, Ijela Baralia. We jelly when you see some ideas on a rotala. Now, can the young guy now your biko Ijela we see okay, EM also no one go moto. Do you understand? And now Adria Ijela no when you see okay, naturally, koyon the platform ya kahabari ego. Ego barola ko we go geji we lata oboda because all la go Ghana. Ego
it's a lie. Don't lie. You're gonna bono just not listen. Ask me to listen. No, I'm looking at don't say that to me. I'm gonna bono. Don't lie.
Ejimona Kowobo. Anyanambara, come to my page. And as if you say, I come to your page. But you don't recognize them, then you come to my page. I'm on my page, you don't recognize me, then you come to my page. I won't come to your page anymore. Come to my page. Or you send your account, I give you your money. You send your account, I give you your money. Whereby I came to your page, but you never recognize me. It's in the also. That you didn't 2 hours. Come return or wish money. I can my your page 2 times. A screenshot from here. Come on, what happened? A screenshot from here. I screenshotted this. Oh, but I can go say here. I came to your page. bring me up, bring me up, bring me up, bring me up. Bring me up, bring me up, bring me up. You know, bring me up. I cannot pay you some. Bring me up. I shall get man and meeting a computer. Bring me up, bring me up. Ask people that let them talk what they saw there. Comment section was like, bring each other up each other, bring each other up, bring each other up. You know, bring me up. I've been on page 3 times. I've been on Kembo. That was when no rain at all. I'm a Bahari. You don't know my you want me with problem even now. Which I told you something, make you calm down. Mbana my hotel room can walk. Then mother because him, Nina Magadego, Mbagotino, was Gubiko. Sigibiko, no Guebeno, no to Sinoro, Anno Fuma. I want to go to hotel room, ma. Mbasana hotel room can walk it. Ambagotino, or young baggy. Casing Kate and made you a puta. So I'm up to after 5. Then after 5 1, everything will up. Then Mogo be 6. I call on or you na cosono or you piano. In Jackie, go up with the phone, Tinanti, they will call. Mba, in on their book, Biafran say, Biafran will say, oh, you Bia. Because you don't recognize me. I cannot come and see Paragosego. Now, Acme Harris as a moderator. Okay, she has put on bomb. Who give me one getting my head on my grandmother. A woman I want to be sa. Ozu. I have to vote. I'm going to battle. And you go 2 weeks. You go say come back to 57 view. Or if you're not Webia. Or let's say you have international in a Pasaga Babu Jele. It won't get a saga, you want a view. But a matter for a gono. I have been with a via Jibaka. If I have to go there, IP will be in a Bobo Saga, Kafu Kubakutelu. My own neighbor Hom Saga. I can't buy you, dear. But I say, I. No, but now with that, I came up. I made the giveaway. You made a call. Bring me up, no way. Bring me up. And I call now no long. Young be one boy. On be one boy. Mamma boy. Mamma boy. Because in Kimberlada, you don't recognize me, so my best also. Only Roma, a page you can form more. Your page, a form more. So 25, which 1.5, 980 back. Oh, you I can come trace something. That 300 is in Mopia. If I'm Mopia, spend the Gomia. He should come near Mania Wagia, a combo page. The more than Jinji got there, he got come over. And that is the move. One can them is take or equally name. I don't top up. I be good Gonia. I don't like him, ballet. I will make a big host. If you cannot recognize me, then you tell your day. If you cannot recognize me, remember your page. And you don't recognize me, you tell your day. Boss. Power. Kalakal.
Jele hapo ujele only kwa mo. So kan sepula na yo acha nke hapo kwa.
Ogini jile.
Onwe ife menu mana hapo kwa. Only kwe. Hapo kwa. Eji chukwu na yo.
Nana ako kuri akwa. Sido akwa adodi akwa. Kuno bana zoite. No ni ti susu boy to ri akwa. Ni bana boni be.
Ijele.
Nanya, Odi, all no Ogechi, Njako, I control you. You know, go control me. Why will Ogechi be giving me like Gani, Anambana, or Canavan every neighbor? Imagine I on the phone. See me, Jere. Navan neighbor. Navan on the phone. We see an obono or no Yaburia. Imo na mole go kwes. No obono no Yaburia. Yes. Okay, Mama. About again. Come on, go look at Ayana Bala. So, Nanya, what is going on? Nabana Mugu. Adukanete. Val is dying under the blackmail. Ogeshina blackmail as in the Jotoya. Ele of our Nejinjaya. Val to come to Ogechi. Ogechi people thought ya Nilo. Mana Gechi Benko. Iga wele motova. Ewana Ogechi. Happy about Saga. Ya wana home. Mystery.
Shelley. Only eventually why Ijele, I want you to pay attention. Uwanina ame ekwu no maka kudo we ebe value. The answer is no. My anger ebe value, which is in college. Uno Ogechi destroy life and social media with proof. Ogechi and the fortunate was the people that came on Mukulu. Then Ogechi allegedly I told Val, you need to go and do HIV test. I want money because that's with 100%. That is not how many without Val now pushing. And because of this thing, Melu Val, come on, pay on my platform. Na my page. I don't want more than about it's more mission that case. So on a value film. Val maybe face the one here. No any talk. Not because Val love Ogechi, no, but because of all these things. If Ogechi, we are with proof, and if she die, Anyana, Ebunu Nemaya, Moa no ife cheating. If I now before una wow they two na aja. This is not saga. Don't lie. I will tell you honestly. We get information of you, and you still use it to saga you. Negative energy. Okay, she's evil. I her father. I'm not saying it. No. Back up. Where go? Yes, in Nigeria. Pay attention. If you are in Nigeria, go to yourself. Just go. Just ask. There is one lady on social media. Okay, she can't matter serious anymore. If you have one na actually itu ijele na nga maka oge eruo nwe ka ya kpọga ata na apịa ụsa ụwa niile amarugo onye there is ijele egwu a na last person ya apụta bịa biko mechie m ụzọ ndị
na-asị na m na-eti igbo ọ nọ ebe a ka ebe uche nọ o ga ndị ọjọọ na-echebe na-akọ na na-akọ m ọnụ.
is coming online.
Good evening, ma. Biko enweghị iwe ụlọ. Biko ma, thank you.
Ogechi is just a foolish woman. If Ogechi write you petition, use your hand, go police. Say, if you know so call me a fool. I tell you, say, that woman see Ogechi picture there. Useless. I said, it's a move, Jule, my ear fool. My ear. Even, and they make up today, they even talk about, they say, I beg, man, no, they talk about Ogechi. Man, talk about another matter. Uno say no Gabano, Ike, or machine law, one personal Lord and Savior. Not just inquire if I'm lying. Let me just put it that way. I don't want anybody here to do inquire. Let these two people inquire. Then we come back and confess that the Nanani is Lord, not Jesus is Lord. God bless you. Before, no, this is yellow.
You get more money. The jealous of the power. You will not see her again. You will not see her again. Mana isi na nke Nkechi Benko in that Anambra ladies program this evening. And I on your person. Man, even there's the sick again one another thought about that. When I was telling her about it, now people are just instigating her corner. I come on you. She never said anything. And which means she concurred with what I said.
God bless you.
I'm part of the criminal syndicates of the Queen Pin. Not a box. These are the people that countered my narrative there. When you find a food, do you know the terms and conditions? Well, we find all right for honor the law. But all this trade is the handwork of the most notorious criminal, Ogechi Okeke Jaka. Onya Meji Atuya, because she is dangerous to reality. Onya Meji Atuya, if you Oriaka or Atuya, if you PJ Fashion or Atuya, if you Nkechi Benko or Atuya, is just to tell the whole world how dangerous. Can you imagine the depth of wickedness? Now, Otaloga America Bonia, she conspired and sent the man to prison. Look at the depth of wickedness. And that is what we want people to know. The Queen Pin claimed that she killed Nkechi Benko's father on the video, where she claimed if she can kill her own father, she can kill another person's father, and she can kill you too.
Exactly. Preach on, never stop preaching.
Like he make a people malo. The depth of her wickedness Odiro Ogechi is not designed to be with human beings. Ogechi is designed to be with monkeys and baboons. And that is why you see Uge Benaja, a baboon, sitting every day with the queen being.
Preach on.
So the moment in the Facebook, in the TikTok realize this thing, they will be liberated from the shackles of the criminal syndicate of the Queen Pay. She is not doing this thing alone. Or how a group. Onye we made you say give value you bokwa Anambra. Vani Igbo. N'ebe oke n'ebe ngwele.
Yeah, see onye Nobi.
Nobi. Onye Nobi. So because of the kind of life Valu na-ebi, Valu bụ onye mụnwa nwee high libido from her utterances and attitude.
Hey. Preach on.
So when the Queen Pin said no, she knew do vow, and where I'm doubt about it, because all Queen Pin is going around shopping for people's nude.
Hey, preach on. You must not stop preaching. Preach on.
Val have never demonstrated good character. It helped her. I went to her life on her Facebook. Go on there.
Preach on. You must not stop preaching. The word must stay attention. Preach on.
You shall see her no more.
As the Bible said.
Can you imagine the biggest live streamer then of people extraction? So if I'm Chiku, you tell an Ebulu,
Okay.
I came to one Anambra research here. I am a new person on TikTok. My account is less than a week.
Hey.
Yeah, where do I am, madam? This is not proper. None of them were around when you agreed and gave Ijele the money. Your perspective, the go okay. Okay. Because for me, he never said the money account. But kai banyekwa n'ife nna anyị kwu ọ bụrụ na nchọrọ nna dayalo nna anyị mana gịnị ya reach ko understanding na that same WhatsApp. If you people fail to agree, opposite na fail to agree, what is there to public? But I will not blame you an inch because she is the person that brought this to public. Man, even na chegwa Anambra girl Anambra. Anything about the criminal, the Bible did not say run away. The Bible said flee away, flee away. Flee, not run. Anything, flee away. The TikTok, flee away. Valo, HIV. Now be on TikTok, why? Na Valo the ebe na alụ la inmate. I just for there na double. If one na double, if you are there.
God bless you. God bless you.
So onye the Queen Pin
Allegedly.
Abon legendary.
No, I want allegedly. What happened?
Akara gwara ya na ha were ibu val jewe na Shoprite gosi nwa val.
Ijele.
The most important.
Na-eti eme na iyada agba afa. Mme wepụtazi peji m ewere chụwazi oge shiketa ka efu ya ka ọ gbafuo oge shi were ọnụ mme wepụtakwazi my page si were di echuwa oge echi.
The sexy of the Mosa. The sexy of the most high.
Oge anaghị agbakwa oge echi o, ụmụ ahụ ekwela ya n'afọ. Ndị a chọrọkwara mbata TikTok.
Oriakụ ọ bụ isi onye rie anụ ogbu m agalị.
Ọ sị na TikTok
N'abalị ịya anụ ọgbụ oriakụ. Ebe ịya anụ n'abalị abụ ori ọda, ori udele, ori ọda, ori udele, ori ọda. Ịnwa ihe okwucha bụ.
Na-egosi anya Anambra na-egosi
Oriakụ ọhịa ịya anụ n'oge echi n'abalị a. Tell what I want. Don't have issue with Adana. Pay attention. Ọgwụ a na-anọghị ya na-anọrọ onwe ya andụ nna m. Bụ ọgụ mmụọ ọ bụrụ ọgụ mmụọ n'anya n'ihu ugwu gị a ọ bidoro osisi 2016 tie na ụlọ amara ihe a na-akọ.
Many of mood and they pray.
She said she can't come here. Okay, thank you. What was the purpose of the donation?
Petitions. At the end of the day, I travel that place. Come shut up, boss. You have a tongue. Oh, me.
Why will you tell somebody?
Because finish.
See me open. Ana m agba saga. Yes, of the day. When I have na WhatsApp. Osim okay. Now yes, there's a na apart from 3 points. Kijere zime ga. Adi me here by us eba. Of my sickness. 3. Ka mu which we ni. Who si je na kwada. After the end of that to Diego. You just see then. No one guy ebute nsogbu na go kwadro mo. I need the mad na mad don't have issue. So this is the only way mu Nigeria to medebe this man.
We can so no put ya ka ibugota jet suji. Okay. Okay, so what is that? If I don't put you for waka waka, you come become Ajayi the traveler. For Canada, so I do saga. Not because that saga now I do, but I insult Nigerian government. They say when they carry me come back to Nigeria. You think Nigeria they will all carry you like this. Even Ghana says Ghana no far. Ghana no far. This is not 2019.
You could IPO. See, I said if you give me time, I will come. I'll come my brother until 3 or 4 months. No what so
why are you running now?
I'm not running, no.
You run, bro, no talk.
I didn't run.
You see that you need help. Eh?
No, I didn't run. No, this is no.
You want to see your mouth. Say do you?
Hello,
me as my wait, broad good. Then they fear say something fear happen to me. Now they come early morning by 6 o'clock. They carry me and my family, carry us go Ottawa. We drive 4 hours. Carry us go put us for government house for 1 week. But Nigerian government cannot save you. You know why? I go to tell you every day. So anything, see, if you go police station now, as an Igbo man, you go police station, you meet Yoruba DPO, you meet Fulani ASP, I put out what they call them. You meet this thing, you are in trouble. Oh no. I go there, police station. You are a gunner. See, Yoruba when they shout the way it goes, they shout, or you go see Igbo man go they shout, no, Yoruba go just take its time, go just they look you like this. Now pen and paper now go take finish you. Now it will get now a right give you. But Igbo man go tell you say, I go sentence you today. You don't go see the daylight. That is Igbo man. We sabi talk. We are very outspoken. We sabi talk. Yoruba man go write your death sentence. Not be you. God forbid. You go write and you carry and give. You may go give the other DPO when go scatter you quietly. More they dey careful. Make una dey careful. See, things don't change. If I want to deal with person now for Nigeria, May I tell you the truth? With 2 million naira, I feel arrange with DPO, you know, go see the daylight, you know, go see light again. DPO go see, and if they pick you up on Friday, just know say you go day there, till Monday. And that Monday, DPO go don't arrange with the judge. Judge said go chop 1 million. You go see now money, Nigeria. If you get money, if you do anything, so be careful. You in office, you in the prime donation, be careful. Because if you go one platform, be saying that your enemy is 9 food there, who want to donate for you? Now I want just talk. Person when get here, may
I don't even go again. That's why I decided to be on my platform. I know they go again since 2 weeks. I on my own. And since I did on my platform personally, I have peace of mind. Because any platform I know say they go come there.
But you sit there for Ghana now. You want to come back to Nigeria?
Very good question. Very, very wonderful question, Annie.
Yeah, make it talk. You want to come back?
I'm not feeling fine now, so I'm not coming back. I'm very sick for now.
That means you hide now. You hide.
I tell you, I'm not feeling fine. You want I come back with sickness? You want my come back with sickness? Ask me.
After snatch, Benko. Snatch, Snatch.
You know, feeling fine.
Snatch talk.
Ma, please, I want to say something.
All right.
Ma, I'm not taking much of your time. I want to say something. The last thing I will accept from Oracle is to insult me.
To respect the platform, the host have appointed somebody to speak. Then allow the person to speak. You people shouldn't do that nonsense here.
Okay,
if the person finish, then you can talk.
Okay, go ahead. Benko, I'm sorry about that. Just wait a little bit.
This particular person called Olako, his real name this guy have a lot of cases to face, a lot of petition.
I never insulted
Allow me to talk. Don't interrupt me. Because someone
I saw it.
Go urgent 10K, 20K, 30K, 40K. So that is the reason why OGB ever. Oche no ga free ever.
Hey, mute yourself. If you speak, if you talk, we're gonna bring you down. Snatch.
So this Olaco, Nigeria, Bobo 5 and 6 from day one. Chief doctor, where are all those things under Amapu Mobi? Which they move on to report my account. Then this Olaco went ahead, told people now a kidnap or ya. People are totally ego, which is false. I've been in this platform doing a lot of things. But that one by the way. Ijele, I'm sorry, Olaco Sina Oba Hoso, Olaco Buri machine, one man and a machine lord. Said a lot of things. No na oge atobarmedi. Owedu diane ibu no wa. Oni ibu follow with her father woman. Be bana buruye gafia. Game this thing with Indo to ya. We had for that woman to the extent that it affected that woman's business. Or the woman be a petition against this Olako. Also. Then Obago Ghana. Obaga Ghana been our platform. Na my madam Adeze Foundation. Adeze sike yeli aka lead to that day say na mama nyelo aka. She started calling me sim nambia. Namna stars no we no ye mele man aga emedoni. Then I have to come back. I relax because someone one of the moderator. Epubi asina yeli aka. On the process, this particular Olako went back to Ijele because Ijele na my madam adelo na mma. Yesterday, I want to cheat to Lego. We take the video to Shato Aseba, Keta, Koshi Toga Sidide. We take the video and see it. Then we stop. He now moved to Ijele. See Ijele to lazy Ijele because for a very long time, even last week, Ijele blocked me again with this account because that account told you block I just some nepure. So I commented or block that or the ego osino umu Igbo na alwa dị n'ọlakụ n'ọka owe ike jiri ya bata Nigeria jaza petition edere ya na ahụ adịghị ya bala ọlakụrụ adịrị homeless just that na ọlakụ si ebe agbaga Ghana moreover atụbugoro ya ego nke ize atọ ya almost 700,000 olie ya then o were ajịrị evu ma mmasị na nwoke ka nwaanyị na Ghana. Then after all those things ego ahụ agwụ ijele tụcha ego nka jụ na ọma nye I'm not the against me na afọ ya ka eji tụọ the money. Ọ bụrụ na ị gaa na platform Okwuluola anybody na-eme foundation even na Adaeze foundation ị ga-afụ na iji lezi mmadụ ego akaụntụ ya nke iji elezi ego. After everything we now ask that person biko ka ihe were ikwu ego onye batara ụgba people the person ga-ekwu ya postuo ya na ijele emecha ihe ha mel kọcha ka ha shiwe kọ nya na owu ya ma mkpu n'okwu maka ọma plan ya na ijele. Imagine someone atụla ego si gị na phone ya nọ na 24 hours disappearing. Imagine screenshot with evidence for tomorrow man ihe abago n'ihe ọzọ that one aga. This particular ijele bụ ijele mmana this mkpuga now mere I think 2022/2021. Anyway, one guy and boss and she, we are many. I don't want to say this here, but I have to clear myself. We are many. It's really we got a lot of WhatsApp group then. I'm on Maca now. Then she manipulated a lot of people through that WhatsApp, and that WhatsApp no grade by grade. What she send the gozi, I went on and send those for people. Every level deal look so we contributed money to that Henley. The guy also no, actually sorry, Ogonia Mele is fine the way he go well help. He did announce the money. Ikwu kijele ihe gang or block or yan. Ikwu kijele ihe gang or block or yan. That is what happened between us then before one guy and was swanky. Mbogotezi ekwu si jele wele ga ye oya to lego. Ijele asi won ubukwe nna m nke amekwa m ya na ọlakụ has ọlakụ si na o meche m ihe na ọ ga-agwa m na o bụ dibe ebe aka m nọ dị marụ the meaning of ọlakụ on as I went through his page ọlakụ si na ọ ga-eme m nka na njikwa esi ya I still have the evidence adị m agbasa ga ihe na-ekwu bụ life story na o mechaa m ntọ mee m imo but I checked adị m atụ native doctor job because m na ha ebe onye believe ka o belong so ijela block that one aga. Yes, all of them Swanky's here. Henry was sick then, and the Ogo no too, because I have to young. So what I'm trying to say now is this. Ijele have been doing this for a very long time. And again, when these people that Ijele used to work, the people not close to Ijele. Which means Ijele don't have anything. Ijele will first discuss with them before he will come out and do whatever he wants to do. I have evidence. Adime Ambasaga yen ne the pure truth of Yemerun. Ijele will now come out. All these girls chat with them. She will now come out and do whatever. And those people be na support ya. Ne move ya. Ijele people no. They have a lot of accounts. If you check comment section now they go against Ijele, they don't have picture. They don't have profile. Some of them will even private their accounts. They will use another person's picture and commenting. That is how this thing works. And again, those people now support Ijele. Those people now that Ijele nkebe eziokwu. That one are depending. Then another thing concerning this Olaku is that Olaku aga abagote n'enu. If you're expecting Olaku to come up here, oga abagote here because they know what they are doing. Also na Ghana because of petition they see and a lot of things on me and all job also na Nigeria. Let him repent. That is all I have to say.
Now wow, this matter long go. Matter long, don't be small. I don't know why you left. I can still assist you, to come back to Nigeria. I don't know why you left, but however, it's okay. That is what you want. I'm not going to force you. You are an adult. You can do whatever you want to do. You can make your decisions, you can choose your choices, and you can point your opinion. So that's it. All right, let's hear from who wanted to talk. Was Benko? Benko, go ahead, please. Benko, go ahead. Benko, go ahead. Can you guys hear me?
Thank you, ma. Yeah, thank you, ma. Ka m sụọ Igbo ka a ghara ịbụ na m na-use much English for this so that each and everyone ga-anụ ihe m na-ekwu. But I will do it combination of Igbo and the English. So the thing, boy, when it comes to you oracle na accuse Ijele, let me just start from there. And one on na side there. Ijele purposely do that, call people to donate money for this guy oracle. Can we call Batakon we where your machine lord? Because the guy said much rubbish about that woman. No, there are some things you will not say with people's name. Inwe ike na-eme ya na based on saying onye ahụ anọrọ gị nso ka ikwuo na ị chọrọ ikwu okwu ka inwe ike wee chese cloud. So it happens that na the thing bido gaba otu ahụ ewee tụchaa dị ego aido ka a tụrụ atụ Ijele na-ekwuzi okwu ka ọ ga-esi wee nye ya wee jee bukoro oracle moto ka ọ nwee ike wee bata Nigeria because ọ chọrọ inye ya the money n'aka because obi ya bụ na onye oracle daa money oracle ga-eri daa money ọ chọrọ akwụọrọ oracle ụgwọ moto na GUO ọ bata Nigeria enwe nke fụọ na ewe were ya wee nyekwuo ya treatment make sure na ọ dị oke ọ kpọrọ ya wee jee na nke machine lord ka o nwee ike wee ya the woman. That was the plans. But ọ ga na another platform ruzie ebe ahụ he started saying bad about Ijele. Most people tụrụ ego na that platform. Enwe ndị Ijele balansịrị ego ha. Enwe ndị sịkwa na Ijele jidezie ego ahụ enyekwana ihe oracle. I was there. I didn't contribute because afụgo m that na onye a na-contribute ego inyechakwa ya orie ya nke abụọkwa nke allegedly na ọ na-eme ya. And the two enwe mgbe o jere na platform ọkalịsa which is Ogechi Njaka were ebe ama m rubbish a na-akọ ejikwe ata nwoke n'ike adịkwa ata nwoke n'ike. Imagine a promising young boy ihe ọ na-arụ. So the guy is nothing to write home about. As young as he is, ọ bụrụ na nwoke ibe na-atọ ya ụtọ a na-akọ some dirty things. That was not the problem nji maka wee gbagote na your platform. Even yesterday achere m na ga-ebugote m but ebugotere m because I was upping myself. Carry me up ka m kete n'ego anyị Anambra. Let me just greet her and say happy birthday as well. When it comes to Nesi where we according to Mba ego gaba na voicemail. I overheard what she said about your money, that she's going to give you your money. Now her anger, okuru her anger. Obi Onesi where na ogbogote na boss. According to Abanoro na your life then. Your audience on open a comment section name up me. Nobody bring her up. So ya turn say back ka na achita azu ka obia continue happen all these things in amen. I want onye na side reach. You cannot just give somebody money see and ya bia share and them mad. If Ijele adiro bias that is the open all the bias at least ọ ga-akpọgote m.
Okay, I'm on your.
But nobody bring me up. Yeah, find my banner platform, yeah.
All right.
Whatever none of man and Ken Kechibenko. I'm proud to say it. I love her. And what could I am when I'm not and if you are doing something good, I will come to your platform. If I have any contribution to make, I will do it. So accusing Ijele wrongly. Some people that will talk I cannot say bad about Ogechi, but the only thing we keep bad about Ogechi, from what I know from Facebook because I also go me on Facebook. In fact, Ogechi were a very big platform na Facebook as of 2017. I opened my first Facebook 2011.
Yes, the circle of scam because here na kowa na plus here name here. I will hear yesterday. This
Let him talk. Let him talk. Somebody let him talk, please.
Oga, unquote in your own favor. Did I condemn Ogechi?
Go ahead.
Did I condemn anybody? So all this thing if okay all due to some issues from all rounds. So agba mmadụ okwu onye nke a ga-agba okwu o metee onye nke a o metee so all these things. But if you entrust something in the hands of Ijele, time let truth be told or no biro ya enwe ebe ọ ga and which is na o si ọ kasị ebe ahụ wee na-abata wee bịa ọ ga-abịa na platform go o bu n'obi na ọ ga-abịa na platform gị because anọ m na mụ na NK no life then she came ọ na-asị na akwa kịta ka o si abata ka ọ jezie na platform anyị. So that was when she left.
I would just they lie up and down. And I'm about to na my platform.
No, mommy, wait. Mommy, I pay on a hotel Ijele no fona.
Oh, I know.
She's not in her house. So when she came, Abatago from her she have some cases to answer. Which no Jegi where bata. Ko Jedi where bata. Obuzo where na platform before then a platform NK. And we are not I'm not he came to about the saga aderom. Onye ga azuru m na. Ọka mbịa jewe nwere ego mmeji zụọ ụmụ m na ezigbo school were ya bịa jewe police. I can't do that. So ya nwere onwe ya ka ọ pụta ọ gbagotere na bọọsụ.
Unu ga-akwụsa these things na TikTok.
I'm not being biased. I'm just being realistic. So the issue there now, if you want to know the truth of the matter of all the genesis of everything,
for you.
if you are in a good time with
They did not give him attention. He came back.
I'll be right back. Can you hear one or two things that they come?
And there was a lot of your position on the bus. That's why she was like, she will come back when everywhere was calm. Ijele Kenya was here since. Ijele came. Ijele was here. She came.
you know how to and when you people discuss, she can still come back. Ijele will not eat your money. Apple your oracle but
Ijele
crush it. Because
Ijele love Anya.
Oracle. Even Sinachine. Even Sinachine ever a history of Oracle. At least he said something about Oracle. So to me, and what Yana I blame or to me, we just a misunderstanding. Misunderstanding. And don't let people to make you deviate from what you want to do. Just do what you want to do. I love what the program is good. Helping our Igbos is very nice. I acknowledge that you're a good woman and also pray for you for more long life. So I don't have much again to say. Thank you.
But let's scatter everything where the woman want put fire everywhere.
Bank Nation, I have a question for you. It's in a Ijele window refund to Lego. When do you know refund? When they see IGBO go? In wiki one or two person.
Yes.
They refund to Lego as 14. Thank God, Bank Nation. It's in the Imo. It's in the Imo. And only one My father na protect. You
Gentle, don't bring my children to this. You can just say any other
I
thing,
have
please.
to. I'm bringing my
I
own
made
generation.
I use my own
No,
myself as an
no,
example. You mustn't use my thing as an example, please. If you want to say anything, you say for your own side. Don't involve my children. If you are talking life, don't speak bad about me. You should not use.
How do you know that Keremadone Ijele say, I want to refund or I have refunded? Can you mention one person, one single soul with evidence? Oga ina siase. Ebuni isi mmadu, ebuna njọ mmadu n'isi. Kwa afi enyi bugi. Because njọ ahụ ibu n'isi, obi ike onyibuo gị. Ịtụkwasị onye ahụ n'isi, ọma nkwụkwọ ike ịtụkwasị ya. A na-agwa gị nke bụ eziokwu. Onweghị dị ka ị na-ekwu okwu ikwuru n'eziokwu. Because iche ka ihe mere abada kịta. Abada gbachakwa ya. Ọ bụ ihe ụnụ na-aghọtara n'ụwa abịa. Ụnụ chọrọ na aka na-ebido ụwa 1960. Ụnụ chọrọ n'ụwa 1960 ka a na-ebidi. Ụnụ efiri na ya ifte ebe akọ na inwe platform ebe akọ ụwa niile eburu inwe alụ. Ụnụ asịsị na-asị ụnụ na-asụ na-akarịgo this dumb be selling. Yes is your favorite. Say it. But say the truth. It's a simple thing. Say the truth. At the end of the day, at the end of the day, you understand? Actually, you people to sit there. Get mentioned on again. To satisfy your conscience. The person in our watch look at tomorrow now will switch against you. I'm not saying I did a bad person or a big man. If it's your young or the answer is no, no. You just not fully aware that Nana Choro. I'm an Anacho. That is a manipulative spirit.
Gentle G, Gentle.
You understand?
You know, yeah, about my talk, okay, Johnson. Yeah, about my talk, okay, Johnson. Yeah, I'm enjoying jogging. I just want to leave you so that you will talk.
Sorry, I am sorry.
You will continue. Let me just say one thing. We didn't have to oracle again. Ke yo gwara ndị mmadụ.
Ọ gwara ndị mmadụ na ahụ adịghị oracle. And oracle na enyi ka atọ dị ego ka e wee donate ya ka ọ gba petition.
This thing you are doing with Ijele picture is not nice, oh. No nice. I will not even be here.
Okay, yeah, disrespect.
Who is
disrespect
that?
Because
who is that?
Oh, moderator, because I'm able to go cash mama. It's Iakita na F na disrespect.
Anybody?
Because Terry. I'm just trying to show you that she's live right now. I want him to see. Here I will picture layer.
Oga, you are fucking wrong. Gentle G, appear na kunezo.
Terry, yeah. Imana, otu a na-ekwu ihe a. Akwụcha ihe na. Ha niile bịara ihe akwụ ihe na. Ha nọ na this platform. Ọkọghị ihe ha m ji gosi ihe. Ihe m chọrọ igosi ihe as evidence. Ha bịa akwụcha bịa defend cha. Ha ga na the platform ga nọrọ. Ana ga-akwụkwụ ya na a na-eche gị n'ebe a. N'ego ahụ isendịrị bịa sendị ya. Ha kwụcha ihe ha kwuru ihe na. Ha gara the rubber platform nọrọ na ya. Onye na-enwe m iwe here. That was why when Beck was speaking, I was interrupted because we don't have the other platform. How could
change the background? Peace to reign. Change the background is not good. That is disrespect. You understand?
Tere Jetuji.
You understand? Change the background. Change the background.
mechigodi on the first. Him the chori gosi, him the negosi ha wona. Him the negosi ha.
Samaka, I don't understand the picture. Just
my
the
goodness.
picture you first put about Ijele.
Tere, him the negosi ha wona. I was just trying to show who be this person. Also, I will bring this person down. Check on Kuchano now. Now, can Kuchano tell you?
Wait now, wait, let Samek finish. Let Samek finish now. No, they interject am again. May he finish, he go carry you down on me. Are they busy?
Fuck off, Jerry.
If you want to bring me down from this platform, you bring me down. I can see that you are the moderator.
Yeah.
I don't think
I told you, I said DJ for how long? It's not an account disrespectful. It's disrespectful. You know, I support DJ. For how long I check out here? I don't know, take a chip. I'm going to fool up on Jessica. Ijele no jaine che ahia. Ya ku no disrespectful. Because disrespectful am. Ele nu mega wa. Ijoma bi chala. Ijoma bi elano. Ijele disrespectful hani. Ya wuru ka e wa ti be na wu disrespectful. Bi ke pe. Aga ga na je fu na bo. Na ga nu he nu ku gala ke chibeko. Na ijele. E ka ha wu disrespectful. Ai na che ahia. Ele ho organ. Disrespectful. That support Ijele. I support to hold job. Ishi ama wa chitala na country. Ama ma Tinubu na country megafinu. Ishi ama mama hewe joku na hewe ashi. Onye ura na ezuzu ari. Ara babu kwani. Eji mfuna abo na elehe nuri oga ebe ahụ. Ọ na ebe a kama nnu ga basi. Enyi bia nye ndị ego eje mehe mega. Nna bata kete. God be disrespectful because they remove from man. Ishi o me bring. For how long I check Ijele or governor or president eleho or give them emlega. I went to the man who knew nonsense. A woman can't wear joke on. A horono, A horono. I told me what we are kemba. No, not wash about me. No, I'm Gagano, ya. Hey, look, got a down. Not be a bed that wash me. Then he never come Ijele. Exactly, Ijele.
Let him could put that the thing. I would go see Ijele's picture. I would hear good in my intention. Nne go see him name na her life right now. Whoa. Nne le ha ko cha be ba be ko elu ko ala. Ha ga na platform ga hang ebe ahụ. And none of them have been on the platform for a long time. Nche di na ndị a niile bịara ebe a na-ekwuchi ahịa na ga go Ijele ha na-echekwa gị o. Or Ijele send that money so that the thing go end. None of them have said anything at the platform. If we're going to hear our arrangements, how my hand in me? Okay, well, this PR, this band, I'm not going to know PR come by me. Just let me just show this one picture in the camera you go see. Here in a whole live, yeah. This is her live. Who can go see the picture? Yeah, if I know now, here her live video. Go see here. Here na background, yeah. He got my video, yeah, na live, yeah, now. Here he got home. You see now go to a picture. Oh, picture.
Give away yesterday. They got yesterday.
No, because they started with a conversation and we just got distracted. So we did. I finished your yesterday.
Jesus.
So today was supposed to be live by 9 a.m. my time.
Yes.
We waited till like 3 or 2.
God.
Again, you want to drag me?
How much is remaining? How much is remaining?
I don't even know. I don't know. I don't calculate those things. At first, if I trust you, if I trust you, God don't happen like this, so it don't end. It don't end. Nothing.
Hey, Chineke,
It don't end. Nothing. Nothing. I don't fit trust that woman. I don't fit. God forbid. I don't fit. No. This one just buy the small finger where I give her. He just bite the small finger. Okay, as you don't
1.3 million. Jesus.
Wait. As you don't come back from where you go, say you go somewhere. You say you can't come here. Say you dey come back in 30 minutes. You can't go another platform. You can't go stay. No good. More talk true. No.
Anyị mana ha si na ọ bịara ebe a na ọ na-ekwe ibu tie enu.
Ọ bịara ebe.
I'm seeing it on comment section that time.
No, they leave comment section.
Sister Anambra, Ijele was there. Then when she first come here, she was talking that she went somewhere, but she came back late. But she was talking, they did not give her idea. You are still on your program. She left. Then she went to Nkechi Benko, their boss. When she went there, I was hearing where you are saying you are waiting for her. I went there, I was telling her, I go climb the bus. I told Ijele, please, Annie is looking for you. Go and answer Annie. Go. I made sure I was shouting. I was even, please leave whatever. I begged Nkechi, say, Nkechi, please tell Ijele to go. Annie is looking for her. Ijele not came back.
Hey, wait. Why you beg her?
No. She was talking. As in, I want her to leave whatever she's doing. She was talking about different things. So I was telling her to come. So she came here. Because all of us were like, Ijele, leave whatever. Just go and answer. People are waiting. So she came. She was saying, bring me up. Everybody was saying, bring Ijele up. Even anybody, they did not bring her up. I was even saying, why is the director and not a say, okay, that's the way they were behaving. That's why she went back again. That's exactly what happened. I don't remove, I don't add.
Somebody said Annie saw it and ignored. No.
Cash Mama. Cash Mama, can you tell Ijele to come from this platform now? Because onwe ihe ọ na-ada agwa mmadụ. Oyi mụ na-aka m ịgwa gị bụ ezigbo oyi. Mana oyi mụ na nkala ịgwa gị bụ ajọ oyi. Yeah, can
if as I am like this, yes. When Ijele was there, in my mind, I'm already boiling. I'm angry. Like Ijele should be here, because I know that it's necessary. It's a necessity. It's an obligation. You understand?
Yes.
I was just whatever it takes. Let her be here. And Ijele even come. So when they did not bring her up again, I was like, this thing now you will be bringing a necessary issue. You understand? And that was what happened. I'm not here because I'm just wanting to support Ijele. I'm just here to make Annie Anambra to understand that Ijele was here twice. Whatever they are saying or whatever is not a big deal for me because in any place there must be controversy. But Ijele
so the only thing you don't get Ijele now, Eboku is like this. Ijele should transfer the remaining balance to Annie.
Exactly.
That is the only thing. He should reach out to her. You understand? By now, to clear her mind and to clear her conscience and to wash off her hand. Iyo kalime bo we are gonna DM and you open your WhatsApp number or say drop your account number. I want to drop the remaining balance with you. Oh, that's a transparent person.
No, she have already said it in her license that she.
No, wait. Oh, we won't now water her. Saying it and doing it is different ball game. Okay. Saying I'm doing is a different thing. Am I saying I say as I'm a mere doings? I like doings. To drop the account number to pay the money.
Calm down instead of going up, please.
Okay.
Annie Anambra is here for every. The truth. The money to send, I use it to get drugs for my son, and I use it to get some food. So whoever is doing that kind of thing, I'm in full 100 support in support of that person. You understand?
Thank you.
So for that reason, I'm supporting Annie Anambra because she's doing for the masses, not for Ijele or for anybody. So I'm on her side. That's why you see me here. I've been here since she started. I'm not here to collect money. I'm here to and back and forth is not the reason why we are here. It's a distraction. Because many people, like one moderator said, many people are depending on this 10K. Nigeria is hard. When I hear this woman talking yesterday, I was like, Jesus, so somebody can actually come out and, speaking of, if I have that kind of opportunity, I will do worse than what she's doing. I'm in support of the woman. Let's not distract it. Whatever anybody have, they should go and sort it out by themselves. I'm not in the motion of this side or this. All those things that are doing here is
Crash Mama, we are still saying the same thing. Ika bukwa moderator Ijele. And onye obuna bu moderator Mado.
Don't accuse me.
Sorry.
No, I'm not a moderator. Go there, ask. I'm not a moderator.
Mommy, sorry. Sorry.
I'm not.
Sorry when you were, because the way you say, who need moderator, yeah. You sorry, I am sorry.
No, I said the moderators here. The moderators here. I'm not
okay.
I bet I want to ask I bet more low best. One Yoruba man they here. May I ask and waiting because this everybody here na Igbo. Now only one Amala na they here. So Amala on mute. Amala on mute. Amala on mute. It don't run. It can't the reports. It don't run. I've been like, what's good? I drop her. Like you drop her. Like you drop her.
Wow.
Like you drop her, Mala. You want to come collect giveaway. I'm not here. On your shit. I'm not here. On your shit.
Oh, you're good at your Lego. You're good at your Lego.
As you see me, why they right to bring me up. Now you wrong.
Okay.
I for
Are you look around?
I for this go where I'm now.
Okay, so
the only thing you guys saw because onye ma Ijele moderator ndi Ijele because no eba just see Ijele that now this is the second time on made this thing and near Pusia image ya na tarnished abuhone na echaka or near makai. When somebody throws something like money to you, you should prove the person that by being innocent. Obeli kaja lata mmado. Obeli kaja lata mmado. Obeli kaja ebuda kwano mmado. Odiro mma. Someone is you will not come to imagine at this platform again. Then get a DM ya. You need the remaining balance. Odiro mma. Onye ni nebo ya bu no mo ni ne buza ajo mmadu na ebe no. Money na gabuza ajo mmadu na ebe no. Now you have meet this person kita over mmadu biye potakwala ge anyi kita no. Now each of the relationship between anyi just how many days remain just ekosakwalia. Money each a certain amount ni me ganwa. Esia anyi any dim go from this money. Pass go nature ni me. Onyegi ogalia onyegi ogakone osege mba. Now this is people that have this money. You say oh that's me they transparent they upright. Onwe oge we pugi ni me. Obo ine me gara. Cause mba life is not like that. Onwe is you the thing na abokasi mother reba. Mana na to full oge anyi nwanne m ihe kpogote m na page gị bụ
1 second, gentle. Okay. I've just got a record right now that Ijele said she has spent 3 million in Abuja, and I didn't even give her I didn't even assist her in any financial help. You know, this is so sad.
Hey.
This is so sad. This is entitlement. This is entitlement. It's not fair, honestly.
Did you send her to Abuja?
No. This is not fair. It's not nice. I have the record. People are sending me record. Listen, I have people that you might not see them in this box, but they are always going around, and we are together because we do things about we're fighting Nigerian government, right? And we just go on the ground. And these guys are very curious about what is happening on TikTok right now. About Ogechi, because the truth is, I don't know why some of you don't want to say the truth, but the truth is Ogechi is not doing good on TikTok. She's she's dragging our name down. Forget about that. She's having problems with Nkechi, with Ijele and all that, right? But the truth is, she's stealing our name. But that is not the topic here. The thing is, Ijele is saying that she spent millions in Abuja, in the hotel or whatever. That I didn't even assist her. That I gave her only 300,000 naira. Wow. Okay. Sad.
Annie, did you send her to Abuja? That is my question. So money send means you have to you have to support. I'm sorry I'm laughing. I know it's not a laughing matter. You understand, but my own take here, I saw Oracle in your box, and I know it's because of me, Oracle Jiwemia. You understand, because Oracle is already on a straight line.
Good evening.
Oracle is already on a straight line. You understand? So, now Oracle, the complicated. Ami beke one pneummonia ga delemwa. Adeze. Oracle the complicated. I want a bag sigati aka. Oracle on a straight line and organ see ikoye. Almost ikoya then was obiazo was or malife. So here Oracle was because of me na mbagote. Moon Oracle, amata Oracle n'iru akwụkwọ a. Ka kesi abada gbagote. Gbagote na highest level. And I'm Oracle as onye na support to abada. Then mgbe ihe a na-ebido always supporting abada. I was on my live stream like this, so this is the one night like this. But when I say no, when we go to my page, we go to PNU. Okoba no dị na nsuga abada na abada ko when you na okọ for her. Mana mu na again na-emekọ ihe. Ịpụta sim na onye abụ my onye amụnị ya na-enwe banta. Na ịpụta gosi na ọ bụ ajọ mmadụ. My spirit will tell me you were sent to get me. So mu na gị na-emekọ ihe. And that is exactly what I did to Oracle. So before you know it, Oracle, I represent my live stream now. I call Abada out. Now evil deeds, yeah, on the Igbo. So so Oracle, when I've been in my life now, before you know it, he came to my DM. Say, Mama, Abada is threatening my life. Abada is threatening my life. Listening here. Osimbiko and there, she's
me and that woman on my TikTok. I go play it here. The woman later, that was when on her life. Can you believe what I'm saying? You need the money. You say wish money. I said I saw, but not young about it. They go na account can me. That was 30,000. Make a banting. So more we chat here. Jimo, I said Jimo do because yana kona mona mother. Now before you go na account nyambam. Onyo to you go. Obo no kaka. It's you go na account they ga gwam. Si mu no ye to ego negenti. So be a young bad human say who they support me and who they support me. Nobody, the only God they support me. So remember I said because Okrebo was on that box that support Ogechi. Negenti. All of our box one that support Ogechi. I got tired of Ogechi. Or money you no Ogechi, no mama. I'm not going to respond to Ogechi. Then me say after I'm there, Diman will better my email to see make I know verse. That woman now sent another money to Boklepo. Or see make I know what is it. Ingo sent another money to Boklepo. You got that. Now always send ya ego ọzọ tupu okwesi m ijere na onye okirikpo ego ahụ. Now ke ka onye a ga-esi nye okirikpo the money okirikpo nọkwasị m na m nyekwa ya ego ahụ. That's 30,000. Make okirikpo no forget say more than a page m ya na nwa ya I raise 180,000 and I give her the whole money. I give okirikpo 180,000 and then my box place here. People know the reason why. Here, number one, all drug go war between money and now. All drug go enmity between money and now. All drug go wrong rope between money and now. Okay, mo, I am better. And we can look at a go on to waiting. Okay,
brother, na platform. I'll go get you.
Imagine. 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 Okay, don't forget say you don't do me bad. You don't saga me. If to say I gave back the mind like you, okay, I go remember the saga when you saga me. I'm not gonna see 180,000. Okay, what okay she don't do for you when pass what me I do for you. Why be say oh I know they remember the things the good what person do for now. Now that's small part the one what the person do when I go when they capitalize on. Okay, remember say you will see come tomorrow make I raise the money. But with this one what you do now, you know say you do it in be far foul until this one I go. Okay, I will never give you a chance again in my life. I will never come closer to you again. And I will never allow you to come closer to me again. The chance I give you after insulting me and bullying me, had it been I maintain that wrong globe with you. I don't say this one will happen. If you saw, guy, I know who you are. Okay, me people be chilling. I know who you are. These messages are my fans. I just come live. Don't be say I did life. I know they life for my person page I did. I get person page. This woman come transfer 30,000 to my account without telling me. See who you won't give the money. You don't tell me. I don't know. The way I come down from that life, do I say somebody money? I get somebody why I send money. You understand me? Then when you come tell me say whether go say na mmadụ we send diarrhea. Then I never see a lot. I will bring last person when they go give me money, so make I give a chop am. I do. People don't say that now. Now today, I am a good give me the money. Get over for help. I keep my plans. You want to go back to Akam. Emu go the money juwalo. Uda make you think I am any mego. And you dey go any mego. Get down on own. I go begin to share my own. Or they forget. Or they forget say me willingly from my money I did to give away. And they dash people money me from my own pocket. And they forget them. Because they won't go get you wine you. I don't get you with the wine. I'll get you with the wine on that. Say. You know why I get you? Okay, you say me. Say me. I supposed to be a cattle. But because I'm not greedy under who get she. Now you make them fight me. Or not be mugu. That's what get you the use like grace. Who you get she? Okay, people do video. Okay, people they go viral. What they don't get she. But because you want to climb box, may they see you. I make you the walk up and down. Sit down one place. Make use of a platform. Now, this woman, wait, see. This woman will give Okilipo. Let me look at this page. It's all about God. Please don't verify. It's all about God. Go and verify. It's all about God. Please verify quickly. Go and verify. Come to your page here. Because if I say atụpụ nkịta akọrọ egosi ya maka ịtụpụ nkịta akọrọ ọ bụ na igosiri ya iji tụpụ ya ọzọ ọta ga-arụ iri dị tụpụ ya akọrọ igosi ya so anyị chukwu ịtụpụ ya ọzọ ọ ka abụọ daa if not ọ ga-aka ga-arụ it's all about God onye a bụ my fans ọ nọrọ ebe a okay let me go to my destiny hold on biko give me time mụ na-apụ na biko before we are about to chere this woman ọbụla nwere tinye ego okirikpa ahụ ịnotemi na ọ tinye okirikpa ego ọ dị okirikpa afa ọ leta ọ bịa kpọọ ya afa wee sị that guy wey dey support me which guy wey dey support me and that very day okirikpa kpasuru m iwe by supporting Ogechi okirikpa nọ na don't worry I'll get it just give me time I'll go after the woman okirikpa kpasuru m iwe by supporting Ogechi then onye se me ga mana ọgbọrọ m ozi mgbe okirikpa bezi na edelu message na munye ya ego na mnyekwa ya ego then the woman then me go say the woman but edelu message when respond to the woman but after messenger late then me respond to that woman the woman na just say mo me nwere onye send the ego na account m that guy wey dey support me na just ya which guy wey dey support me o say no okirikpa wee gbazi esi biko na macho kola komo na ndị mmadụ biko na before o send ego na account m ka nye mmadụ ya biko ya buru ụzọ jụọ m ajụọ na-ege ntị o ya buru ụzọ jụọ m ajụọ so after ka m kwụchara ya nwesi oke na nwere onye m sendịrị ego na m ga-amụ n'okirikpa ka ọ sị m sendịrị ego mana mba esi na akaụntụ m sendịrị ya dị masị make I no worry ka o sendịrị okirikpa ego see, I mete the man come say, make I don't worry. See, he go send them another money. The woman I send that pocket for 30,000. They call him message. Tell me say he don't send money to pocket. Now how do pocket who know he? Now after that woman you shall be again. I don't come to me again. They can say more. Now I come the money again. After Kajima no we shall be ego. I don't say me you make I give him the money. I don't go answer him again. Ebe is na ego with the money back. If I na say mo kwere go Diego. Eto go mana eje umjegba bia. Eje onyegba pokelebo na mbe mana I mean na dima ngwa say mo go le the money. Eje umgba bia. And there's some shame too. Neyeba. Okay. Never know where you come from. I tell you, because I say more. Person send you money to give me 31K and the 200,000. Then they go them 200,000 because in my age of no name, I pocket all them 200,000. No, I feel you need book on because when you 200K, make I give her. Now that lady in question has sent that money to Okrepo and don't are my fans. Only my person. Only I'm going to Okrepo. Okwa because of a mama. Oji Okrepo ega. I'm not going to Okrepo. If you come down there see a so, was it through me? We're not putting them money go. We're not tapo from my grace. Halichapa, Ejaba Momba. Obiku. There you also come from. Can't you know what man and the wote? Look at the profile. You could see me after conversation man about Grebo. Come go say left. What you go change the profile? It's all about God. Please open the neighbor. Daily message because if you are here, daily message because all is very important. Open the neighbor. Daily my natural message. Come go ya. Come go a corner of fear. And when we give an app like it as many and make money. when you be man arrangement to geshi. Are they possible? Only I have on my agenda. Are they possible? I beg you to see when you go forward the mad. Jibwa karakam. Achobi bwa karakam. Achobi bwa karakam na akwa. Kende subute no. We are going to have one.
Now they got fake accounts. Okay, where this hello daughter and okay donga all give good things.
Na ibu kudenda ge block wa. Choma ne beba sumi weba. Where man andaji. Go.
They got on a fake account.
I should have that woman. Kamano, affair it's all about God. Type of guru make it type of it's all about God because John here will go see better pretty pocket more another 30,000. Now get cook is a pocket more 30,000. Pocket boy, because you quite go so. On your come they go that on one day way. On one day we pocket more. Now you might buy that for. Where come they go that? Madu nyere me gosi munye gi. But the monga mo no go gasi munye because you know call name. But I talk about the business me jere. Person say you money may you give me. I want me your name. That time when you go bala chabatabu. I never get a lot. Before God made me, I never get a lot. I never get a lot. That was why. Because you are a person, I'm business, I'm back in a one. I was gonna warn one. They don't get messy, don't go messy. There was a same region, no way saying Munye 30,000. So, who is that person? Or say, no, it's all about God. But it doesn't my import. But if you say it's all about God, we did the message. When say, isn't you not with a money go na account more dollars in Yapico? To avoid the common and big money, Yapico do. Or your money go, Yabam. No, shall you pay money go. To avoid you make a man of money. Reason that guy where they support me, say which guy or say no pocket more. Instead nobody you are not supporting move. The one you are now because him I'm was a pocket be one due to on any boss of your hormone or JB who don't get you what do you only baby? You will come up to be done. I'm over that you move Jojo. Then bring a 40 yen and what diamond the war. Can you mill? About will join her. I don't even want to know what happened. My tools will join war, but I have war. But I'm the man of war had a week. The you pocket for Jaco when you want 180,000 a page. When you want 180,000. Foreign, I'm a neighbor to go. Foreign, I'm a neighbor to my own room. Legend, come back here and make money. You pocket for me or the man. Foreign, I'm a neighbor. Legend. Kiwa kampesalo geya magana ndide ri kojo kiba ni ya okiri pobelo de mma pokiri ba na page mbali ya 180,000 o de message wesi na phone efulefu na mbiko muleze ri ego ko we go phone na muleze ri ego ko we go phone mbo pokiri po wesi okay na mbeleze ri ego imo no kwa mfaga and my fans they don't really give up that money. I don't think what I go tell my fans before I go raise that money because that money I truly want to raise money for Pokelepo from my heart. I want to raise money give up from my heart. Then it'll take him like 2 weeks before consider we'll see okay, make him come up. Pokelepo come up. We ask him how much you want. Pokelepo said I want 80,000. I raised 180K for Pokelepo and I give her the money. Without removing 1 naira. The 180,000 without removing 1 naira. But on a normal, even on my page, I want to go 200,000. I go take my own. That's how they do it. I go take platform pause. I have moderators. But then you pocket on the whole money. Yana Maya, Hakene Cham, when I can I must say. Kenya pocket was the decision of Garanko Geshi. enye me go munye na be yere the money ke ye me enwe one page no then one day abia we wan mo 300 sorry 31,000 but amalo mo the account never enter there the mbokri mo no nenu ori go jimo ngese no tile go na account m ka nye mana ka m no nenu mo no geshi na gbowo then mbokri mo na ajum sim me wo onye tinyere ego mo na ekuche ma de ya ime o na eme ko onye na aru onye igbo amo mo m ko na agba you the ghost dia aru onye igbo amo mo m ko na agba you the ghost dia la agba you the ghost dia la then people keep telling me, I check their land, but I tell you, I'm not his normal way, you know. Then let him bring it to. So me, I don't want to pay him. Same no way send the Lego come here. We say who be that person? We say no, it's all about God. Then when I check my inbox, it's all about God. The message we say yes. Now when they call 30,000 come here. We say Mama Biko. You better come and do money work on this app. Na ma cholo ko la come and do money na app wa. Omo na shele kwele money ego. Alert me first. Let me first of all know. Say you won't give so person money. Okay, I just enter TikTok. I don't know the my life you can't give me. Another person life. Because I get my account number, you go to send money, come tell me say you give me money, but I give pocket more. Now but it was say the boy they support me because that very day pocket more make me vex. She be supposed to get she then. The people tell me say now the guy where they support me, I say like this guy no they support me anyway. Say he say make me vex, but no while I go send them the money. You man come tell me say make I don't worry. Say he go send them another money. Say if he make me vex, he say no, don't say he make me vex, but let me know because my name too the sweet for this app. Let me know before you go send money to me. Me no that say you go send money to me, you don't tell me I can't go spend money tomorrow. They go and drag me. Ona go suwebo. Why I was saying make I no worry. Say he go send pocket more another money. And they can say pocket more another 31,000. The man can say write me, come tell me say he don't send that money. I want to go on your job. I'm going to pay you. Keke pocket was the na pay you gechi. We jubo gechi. Then you go munye. Is it good? Then you go munye. Munye. Okay, I'm not supposed to give you money. I'm not supposed to let money give because you might go saga. It don't saga me. But because of Chileke Peki YB, man, it saga me. I saga you. Move on. Why am I keeping malice with you? Why am I carry you for mine? For ordinary saga, where you saga me? Maybe me no go worry you. I see this money give you 180,000. Now you use if for job one more. Only have to do anya. Go na ha wali. Or call me na wali na ha. Tony ga wali de pocket ball. It's what I have do saga. I don't saga. You want I want to try ga vaila. On a chobam. Look at you. I don't fuck up. Or what am I fuck up by bringing you closer? Pocket ball. This kind of one no go come. And when you one of my guy, anybody who don't saga you, give them social distance. Anybody who don't saga you before, give them social distance. No drag and come close because he don't first saga you. And when you get me forget anya, when you want to ask, or forget anya, that was the year made but they do to be open. Bokono fu. Iman me bring them the house. They bring the back for me. I believe from never I was all one. I was all one. That was why I draw you close. I gather 180K and I give you the whole money. 1 night I don't correct. Now see what they do me because of 30K. When you know say you go say come meet me tomorrow and I go say give you the money. You can see maybe problem feel hold you. You go see what can find me come. I go see less money for you. But this time around. Okay, she go ahead and give. Like you a guy back. Sorry, it is a give God ray. I make you go there, go there. You are young nonsense. Can you want to get good? When I go, which we are there. agụgo gebe ngiri oyo ka maka isi jiri aka bupụta onwe ka anyị gbasakwa ka anyị nọ ka anyị si wee nọrọ anyị bụ ụzọ burugodo we first become enemy. Okay, well, then you first become enemy. So you good as you just use your hand, you can't say come outside. Make everybody they one place. I beg. I just go beg you. So can you also put on them? Upon the one who get each other view. I better come back. If from my setup now, then my site. How come I get a walk was this? I don't come. I forgot belly. I don't see them. Nana. Yembobo, I'm the light of TikTok. I am the light of TikTok. If I leave this app 1 month, when you're gonna more so. Let me be your guy. I'm not only the enemy way see. Let me be say the enemy way see. I don't know center. That is why I am in jail. That is why I'm in jail. Without me, wasn't like TikTok, without Ijele. Yeah, with your mom. Tell me with your mom, my cates. I wouldn't get a head to a quapa. Apply Ijele, kind of over Sagal, apply Ijele, Ebukana Jenga, Ijele Portito Cano, apply Ijele, just a baby, I have come out of him. Habiane, back. Oh, Ponda. Now, they are my tenants. I'm landlord. Baale of TikTok. OOA. 7-star general. TikTok president. Oyembo. I work on system. They go sit down one place. They don't fit do chef. They don't do chef. They are not one only. Ugishani Buaria. They don't get any man. Being controlled will not agree. Person you won't control me, I don't agree. Now you agree, may they control you. You know, you don't believe with them on. Or so long, or so long. Yeah, I don't see you against you. I don't see any don't you any number. I don't receive an every. I don't see immigration. Now, which I'm doing, baby. I can now. Aku fẹ́ cha ọ̀dàlọ́ mọ́ àbọ̀ àwọn. Aku fẹ́ cha ọ̀dàlọ́ mọ́ àbọ̀ àwọn. Àmọ́ jíìgù. Àsìmọ́ jíìgù kò ikú n'esu. Ẹ̀jì mi ikú. Ndà ń mú ikú ma n'esu àdìm. Dìní yá n'efe àdì kọ̀ ọ̀páyà. Ìjẹ́ n'ediri go with them. Ihe nna-abịa ọ dị mma. Opeka mpala ka mma abịa. Opeka mpala. Ịpịala ahụ ịpịala mpala. We are neighbor. They are worried and they use my star. They want to use my star, but they don't want to respect me. That was why. You can never see me again. By your page, you could see me. I still remember the war. Hello. Becha is weak. Ibecha, it's even in there. Ibro di ke yene ge unye mmadu. Mudele go yene make with evidence. Or we need bomb allegation. You need bomb allegation that evidence. You don't do evidence you bomb allegation. But say ke yeti. Zui ne zuki do obi ke without evidence ka. Aka na bo to aka. Zuki ne zuki do obi ke without evidence. E wa ka ileke. Na oyemo anyi kwela sema anyi le saga yu mutu kuduru monya mutu make you saga me if you know saga me go get view if anyi know saga me che go get view nda view hosora o ka mpo yemo na e ba na phone what about view na to view akwai ali hapa you know my cocoa to China. Music and even mu bizante. What a view, you're the visa supplier. Ijele, the visa supplier. I'm not there no more. I'm like God.
Ijele, I'm not going to na calling na life oge chikita or see kidnapper selo. And the guy came on the other of my phone, negi ya anako. Amani ye kpọkịrịkpọ na-asawasị n'ọnụ ebe ahụ si na email arrange ndị kidnapper ya. That time unu gbara saga. Onye nji wee gbakọta ebe a sị ka ngwa onye moderator gị olutu phone. Na-aga ebe a, ọ ka nọ ebe a na-akọghịrị ya. So nwe one girl asị ha na-akpọgote. So the girl na-atụ ụjọ si na ya na-abịa. Ogechi si ya na-afụta na onwere ihe na-eme na salas na nyanwa nọ na-apụta na ihe aba nga echi niile. Amami ya na akpọkịrịkpọ nka nọ ebe a njide order of my phone na-ege ihe ha na-akọcha. Onye si ka ngwa gị so ọnwụ na onwe onye ị ga-eze ọnwụ na onwe onye moderator na available onwe two phone na-agakwa ka o witness ihe. Ka ọ nọrụ pending na ka o witness ihe nna akọ na ka ọ ghara ịdị ka mamị.
Give she could pocket go that thing now. Come on, don't be muguna. With the evidence now, okay. Or I think to call you open to justice. I can't police. Can I go about a game? It's even that view. Yeah, when I land. Or what gate you get him more up within the money. Can't go able be to one of my email. Je kan chota the voice play again. Ke ko ne buku bi to wan yi me. What no gechi no fit do. Ndemo gechi no go no gechi o ke na se po ke wa wo madu. Ina gundo yi ge po ke no onyo shie mo onyo yi. O we be phone no bo ke mo. Nothing do her phone. Mo na be se mo to ri go to kwa ni e. O ko se no wa saga. Ma block ya. Na but I get am block o ha. No dey see these people now. Come on.
Ihe ọrụ adịghị kwa mma eche m na gị na-abụkwu ezi emezi o ji wee gbagotezi na nke Ogechi na-akọghịrị ihe ọ na-akọ n'abalị
ihe mere taa gasị na Chineke just mee ka ihe a mee otu a ma nke mere na nke anyị ma nke mere na nke Chineke just chọọ ka ị mara your enemy and your friends enweghị ihe mere today a lot of people ị gaa na nke anyị a lot of people are voicing out their evil against you. My mama Joy, we are there now monitor men. You understand? So a lot of them, even though Gentle G, when you came back who was I was like, man, they did a comment. In a mag, how would you be saying something you are not sure? You're not giving me go below. You're not even what behind Bobby Jelly. Hey, Bolly Jelly, they're going to Jelly came yesterday. Non the moderator Jelly came go. The Jelly got one the mad fake account. The fake account. Kijele Rebiana, I can them mad ego. They're going to yesterday. Jelly Machandini that in the ego. You know, and so on and so forth. So we hear that and then
come there. Anya nambala. Ogomela gi bukwa muna ebe no. Ogommelu, you know, kill me. When I open my phone, I ban on your page. I create your awareness. We talk about Ogechi. Kebu the view put on your side. Now, I have to give you one now. With the reason deal. Anebuli Ogommelu aga buka mi yojo mana uko na kota aikucho okwu unwesike na maya beze again na ndo otugu na ebuli oriakụ na ebuli nke igba m mana oriakụ kugazi too much say go happy na nya na bu give you my ya ila alo na nya na bu give you na if I use this view against me okay. Don't what happened. Can check.
So, nke ha na-akpọ ọsọ na-aza gịnị ndị Igbo. O nwere ike nọ na support gị yesterday ahụ.
anyị chamanye na ya kwụ
Igbo must go. Igbo must go. Igbo must go.
ije na-ewukwa idiot nwụkwaga nke awụ
Hi, good evening, everyone.
Igbo must go ahụ bido kwue
Now, wow. The mad. Sharp.
ntị nnọdụ ahụ gị na da woman ọ nweghị a ga-ese n'ụlọ ịghọtala because gị na onwe gị ịmagala ihe niile na-aga on so ọ nweghị a ga-esega gị na dat anyị emechakwa unu ga ma otu unu ga-esi ṅụọ ihe ọbụla agakwa normal because ihe a ndị iro na-afight ihe a undergo because with ihe niile nọ na-eme ebe ahụ today ka m ji mara even to the state ọra akụ chai ụwa ijere ncheta the day ịnọ na-achọ ire eziri ọra kwuru ego everybody nọ na-ese ndị ego ahụ maka ọra akụ nọ na-atụ ijere ọkwa gị ka anyị na-ese ndị ego ọkwa maka gị mmadụ niile bịara dades ijere ọkwa maka gị ka anyị kwe na-eti ego a onwe nyekwaghị eti ego maka ọra akụ that day people nọkwa na-agwa gị si gị ijere ọra akụ ga-agba gị saga ọra akụ ga-eme nke ọra akụ ga-eme nka with ihe niile mere ga today ọra akụ denied everything ọra ka sị that na ihe ikwesịrị ego ahụ because na nọtrị gị na reason number 1 kọrịta number 2 na agụụ na-agụ ya na nọmba nke ọzọ na ahụ adịghị ya anyị nọ nga ijere akọntribut ego ahụ anọzi ugbu a ha na-ekwu that na ego ijere wetara 700,000 na ego pụtara ọra akụ 700,000 ụfọdụ asị 670,000
Joyce, we don't care about whatever thing Ogechi is doing on her page. Ogechi has been doing that for 9 years. Joyce, I will carry you down if you don't want to mute yourself.
Now, so biko. Don't show me anything there. Now, I am my slave, and then I made him feel advert.
Ụfọdụ asị na ijele total 670,000. Ụfọdụ asị but Alaku himself so na he ijele total that boy were criminal, a born criminal, no oshi Chineke ga-akpọ ọkụ. Alaku asị na he ijele total ya was 700,000. Life, I didn't know that life at that day give to a guy. At the time, I can remember the day Ijele so no blame ya were go ya. No, Ijele refunded some people their money.
Come on, make sure.
It's very stupid. I'm gonna mute right now. Come on, make sure
Baba, this your voice, Kaima.
Look at the kind of
everywhere. Everywhere on social media.
Look at this.
People must go. Why you go?
He shot the quagga. He shot the quagga.
This is the origin.
Please just hold on. Hold on. This man, he shot the quagga Baba 2219. Are you okay? In our Miri, Nana Juga Junate, my hair will come wine. He shot the quagga. Give the hair now run to Nati, and I couldn't work and a book one okay, Brianish. Now, hockey granite. Are you okay? I'm not joking. Hannah, Otisi, Beba, not twist the whole thing. Gina beats neighbor must go. Even must go soon. Name you name it. I'm asking you question or soon. Name you name it. Look at how you guys are just disgracing yourself on social media. unu kọrọ ọnụ leba unu akọrọ ọnụ leba a na-ezuzarị na-disgrace ndị Igbo na social media look at a man like you elekwa nyiri jikwa nwaanyị jiri ụmụ iji nwaanyị na because voice giving a voice a matured man. Look at the way you're just ranting on TikTok, just TikTok. Make TikTok app, like it's not ranting. I you won't like me. You gotta like it from at all. So when you submission them, you just go ahead and give your submission. Don't come here, give your now not trying to insult. If you talk insult, I will disbar you and I will throw you away. Get to forget.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Please.
Bastard like you. I'm off your man. A very oppressive idiot. He just said,
wow.
And you can mandate a good platform go. If you go to work in car, let work in car the can one. If you go to the kind of people in a good look at.
Now voice.
Look at this kind of man. Look at.
Ya trash gebe. Ina abịa ya akọ. Igra aga Facebook, ahapụrụ ọnụ. Ịpụta na TikTok. Igra aga Facebook, ịmasa ma onye ewu. History niile all the nsogbu niile ịkọs na Facebook nwanne ọ na WhatsApp. Nsogbu niile ịkọs na WhatsApp na Facebook. Ihe na-akọs ihe problem Kechibenko na n'oge echi okeke nje ka ọ bụ.
N'ihe a bụ the original voice eji malia.
Nwaanyị na-enwe problem ị na-eti ọnụ okeke njaka na Kechibenko na-enwe problem ị nọ ofisa to them all support on that ka ị gasasa ndị Igbo ị support onye gịnị ka mere oge echi o ji wepụta ụtọ kama get away you ya mewe kamera da ụtọ mụ na kọkọ mụgụ nwere mụpụta ị na-akọrị problem mụgụ nwere ị na-akọghere too echekwe na ụtọ ha na-ekwu iso kede ụtọ iso kede ụtọ iso ke ụtọ ahụ nwanne adịma sọpọtụ ya ọjọọ iso ke ụtọ ahụ ikere ụtọ ahụ mụgụ nwere ahụ ozu ị na-abịa from to feel amụ ị ga-abịa ma ọrụ bren ifili ga-anọkọta bịa ya wọndọ bren ndị mmadụ I believe onye Igbo nkịta chifili ga-abịa ya na wọndọ bren ndị mmadụ I believe onye Igbo adịghị na-eke ụtọ ịbịa ya ihe wọshọ bren mmadụ believe onye Igbo ị ga-ekesa ụtọ mmadụ ga na-ebo na-akọ Ogechi mepe Ogechi meke nkịta ya esi m na Facebook ya esere na Facebook mugu nwere anyị nkịta ọkpata ya ọ na-akọgheri ọkụ ụtọ kamera da onye ọbịa nọ na TikTok ọbụla na-ekwu ụka mugu abụ ụmụ nwaanyị ka anyị ama ịnọ na TikTok nkịta ara ọrụ gị bịara TikTok ọhụrụ.
Can we talk one after the other, please?
Agunwai, let this boy, this man, God who made me, it's some dish. When I say this man now, this boy, onye no here now. I saw the kill now. Germany, Agunwai.
Baba, wait. I'm respecting you now. Please wait. No peace mute. No peace mute. Baba, no peace ne go happen for Okusha zegi wenko. No peace dey against you na ekwu that as nebu woke umwa ina so we kwesiri doze ha. We akwata se na group anyị. We na ghọta.
Anyị na ya ka ngwa
So Shemego Agwa, this man, this man no yana, but this man that's also the Kyoto. Kyoto I take the issue.
Okay, don't insult him again. Say your own. 5 minutes, please.
Okay, now these people, I got an information. Somebody on Oyemuna on a Germany here called me. We want to this is what is going on. Nigeria na Anambra na problem. We say no, not all supposed to do like that. Or we say muna Ijele na anulu mo na kwesịrị ịbịa na page anyị Anambra. Let me come on Anambra down and come Ijele down. Like I told you, although sorry to say, I think my name will map about 4 accounts in Jabata TikTok. The account in Jabata, you don't even know the account. When Bata, Kena wa Igbo must go. No, you send the Nigeria account, Nigeria see the money. Then, Njena page you get you get na more go Nigeria. Moamo, I left. Njena page Ijele. Go and ask people. Fwebi Ijele na say, I cannot bow for nobody. I cannot bow. Request here because Ijele actually Ibu got anybody. I requested Ijele brought me up. We see Ijele. The last person in Welike guna yeso who Anye Anambra. Don't try that. I try now. Ojibamba Zibamba, I will go down here. The last person you can quarrel with is Anye Anambra. Amen. The way Ogeshi tag my children rest in peace. And she came out openly to target you. I am here for Ogeshi, not for any other person. But any bastard you see, I will face that person. You can tag my children rest in peace. And
Baba. Adekwo Ogechi eba. Say ihe abịala ebe a. Ihe Ijele mere ọ dị mma ka ọ dị ha mma. Ibu Ogechi na-etie n'okwu a. Adekwo Ogechi ebe a. Seba pụọ. Listen ya gịnị
na page anyị Okwu Ogechi. Ife butelu
ile kpọrọ na-etie n'okwu.
Val nkọrị Okwu Ogechi. Ogechi saga Val. And they say that now valuable HIV, now Facebook, and now one. If they say now a popo, what they say now a popo Gechi.
Now what to you, Babu? He's a mystery.
Ask him what your family. And I want come on talk.
He's a mystery. He's a mystery. On a straight line, a bella adria. Okay, so Ibanye. It's Ibanye on a straight line. It's Ibanye. Which on Ibanye? Which on Ibanye on a straight line? It's on Ibanye on a straight line.
Yes,
you can't do it. It was it's Ibanye on a straight line. I didn't mean
on a straight line.
It's only bad you can't do it. It's only on a straight line.
I want to give him a keep on a straight line.
It's Ibanye. Tell me yes or no. Kamale Bepo. Kamale Bepo. On a straight line. If we go in talk and no. I can't try to pay account. No, I couldn't have made the urgent 2G. I'm not going to account someone with fake account.
Gen 2G,
I know they enter with fake account. I know they hide my. I want to see your real face.
That is
Actually, me for your real face. Show your face.
Idiot. I got you one to count. If you don't
Count.
why can't you go inside and go and cook for your useless husband?
Fake account. So, Oga Buti, we got your me for you. Listen, Kalaka. Then we will come for. I want to see your face.
Good evening.
Actually, come feel Rugi. Good
evening. In fact, Jamie Tioga, why
my page, give for my page. My account have fake account. May pay your page, come for your page. Why you Germany? Guy for why you go give why your page? No, that my page on my page. On my page, picture on my page. Now maybe a fake account here.
Shut up your
my page money.
Why
you go give? Why you go give?
Why your video?
Account to get out fake original account. You understand? I know go massively me here. You must enter on the stress like the bella idea.
No peace. No peace. No peace.
I will drop free. I will drop free.
Name my face, yes. Name my face. Keep it honest. Just clean those I will get a touch. Wagam. Wait for an emetesia. On was one genam. But was one genam. I think I will talk to you. I'm paying on a straight line book. Iga we kogi. Shut up your mouth. We kogi na lankija. If we don't there, me. Why? Can I be Facebook? Iga we kogi amu balogia. You're talking with me. Fagi. Baba 2198. Baba 2, Baba 2198. Wagam still.
Baba 2198.
Still. We kogiga fear on a straight line. Ebela adelia. Oboni ngoli kogiga. Iga fear. Even the people know that.
Why become a better? I want to kai. Emma Germany.
We kogi. Go drink your coffee.
Baba 219. What? Get it.
You're a useless woman. Shut up your mouth.
Iga ngi kogi. Iga ngi a okarusu.
Iga no barage.
You don't enter my territory. I don't wait make you enter. Iga ngi kogi. Ingoli ani zua. Imama abo gentle. Ige ebe kopwa. Ige ebe kopwa. Ige ebe no kolu.
It's okay.
Ige ebe no kolu. Kolu ki ige ebe. Okay, get the real name now. Get the real knowledge. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Real name. Lollins. Lollins Onye. Lollins Onye Bahali Bazia.
Okay.
Bahali Bazia. Isi ego onwe ga-esi be ye. Isi ego onwe ga-esi be ye. Isi ego esi be ye. Ana akụkọ ndị ịna-akọta akụkọ Ogechi na this place. Kedu ihe gbasara anyị ebe a na-ekwu ihe mmadụ mere?
Ịchọ ige threat ada threat kwe mmadụ yie o. Ada threat kwe mmadụ yie.
1 second. Let her talk. Killer, let her talk. Go ahead. Gentle G talk.
Abịala ebe a na-ekwu okwu ihe ijelu mere ọ dị mma ka ọ dịwa mma. Mba, asị m on a straight line. What straight line? Asọ m ya na ọ ga-anwụ. Asị m ya on a straight line. A straight line is just a simple word. Ịghọta? On a straight line ka m gwara ya. Ọ sị m na m ga-anwụ nke a gbasara ya mana na o meghọ n'izu o mee n'ọnwa. Ọ bụ m kwuru ya ọ ya bụ Lollins Nwosu. Iota, Oga John gay BB, a John gay BB. I will hear GBB, me.
Okay.
BB,
thank you. Dengoji, thank you. You can mute now. Let him. Let Baba 219 speak. But please, you've got 5 minutes. Dengoji, please don't interject him again. Please go ahead, Baba. Go ahead. Please go ahead. Don't interject him again, okay?
When you were a foolish bastard, you are a foolish bastard.
Don't insult her again. Don't insult her again.
Tell her, hey, man. On a straight line. Don't you know your? Can't you respect yourself?
Go straight to the topic now. Talk about what you want. Leave her.
Shower.
Baba, leave her now. Leave her.
People now.
Your phone is ringing. Pick your call. Pick your call. Pick your call. Your phone is ringing. Man, you are so stressed up for TikTok matter. TikTok matter. They stress you like this. They call you for phone. You didn't TikTok matter. Oh my God. This is crazy. Wait, let him talk. Okay, Baba, go ahead. But please don't stress yourself too much, okay? Because of your blood, please. Go ahead.
Yesterday was my first time of coming to your page.
Right.
And I saw what is going on today. And I told the jelly, she don't suppose to even venturing or fighting you or even throwing words on you. And the jelly was like, am I worshiping Anya Anambra or something? I said, no. Why must I? Anya Anambra don't feed me. But there is what they call somebody to have partner. You're supposed to have a partner. And the Ijele was telling me that Ijele was telling me that Anya Anambra called her or something like that and said him called Anya Anambra and start crying. Anya Anambra, if I die, you are the one that killed me. Anya Anambra, if I die, you are the one that killed me. Now, I want to ask a question. I want to ask Nkoli Val a question.
No, don't talk about Val here. No, don't talk about Val.
Okay, ekwelmo. Mana na anya. Ijele na na-eme nka mmalụ na oge ọ bịalụ na your page. Now they go about her. You could not be able to stop the people that is talking about her. This is what she told me. And Onye Jimake wele ni fenina. I don't want to call name. Onye Jimake wele ni fenina. Ogechi was the first person that came online. Sino onye abu HIV. Now, Fane wotali yogu from Nigeria. Ogu HIV from Nigeria. Ogechi kulie. Ogechi putal sino onye amunoto edunilo. Why must you leave Ogechi that destroyed your name on social media and be fighting people that never even just tell you say you dey craze? This is my problem. I don't have any other problem. This is my problem. This is my problem. After Uncle Shali Feni Nenku, Agwal Mijele, say she must stop calling Anya Anambra name. It's a must. Ijele say no go. And I was thinking that Kangwage Ezioku Oge Shoko Njaka is very, very manipulative. Very, very manipulative. If you are not under Ogechi, Ogechi cannot harbor you as a sister or as a brother. They called me on phone and said, Ogechi is coming to, Ogechi and Co is coming to Anya Anambra page. But I told the person that Ogechi will not come to Anya Anambra page. Ogechi will like Annie to come to her own page. Because she said new sheriff is in town. This is what she did
it's
on
not
Facebook.
the topic, or guy. He na cover about the unnecessary. He na cover is not necessary. He na cover go cover that. He na go na
on your generation will not see good. And gentle G. Shut up. This is how
Gentle G, Guinea boy anytime or Ogechi, you get upset. But Ijele, you don't get upset.
God bless you.
Why?
God bless you.
Okay, I like this question.
I want to like people in the
Thank you so much. Annie, thank you for this question, Ijo. Thank you so much. Because of, I don't am upset no na akpọ Ijele afa or Ogechi afa. Mana okwu a na-ekwu ebe a bụ okwu gịnị? Gị mme na Ijele abịa raw for ego asi ewepụta for the masses. Do you get? Ogechi is not my fans, he's not my favorite, but let's stand on the truth.
I feel Ogechi is not my fans. This is how this salad.
You understand?
This is how this salad.
Mama, onye fu eziokwu okwu ya.
Shut up your mouth.
The reason you see that now, no Ogechi is because of what? Ogechi oya ego. Owo ya jidi money. Ogechi ego. The answer is no.
Don't talk when I talk.
The answer is no. You understand? The answer is no. If we so people na eziokwu, why you go put in now? You understand what the instigator? She just instigating that. If you have Ogechi as a bad person. Chọrọ ihe kwesịrị ikwu ebe a bụ na anyị nwanne m Ijele will come and submit that money. Yeah, no
my question again bụ na anytime Baba for Ogechi afa attack ya but ọkpọ Ijele afa ị gaghị attack ya. I don't like ndị na-eme wayo madam gentle G. Ị na-eme wayo.
Anyị onwe ahụ wayo na-eme ihe nna chịkwa bụ nothing but the truth.
Anyị gwagodo nwaanyị a nyagodo m ha rinne nya gwagodo m village osi ka ntị ewu mmọnwụ ka ịkweta na ọ na-eme
ọ gaje zuo ike n'ihe na-abụ ị na-agba ụja ị ga-ịnọ na strike line bụ ihe ị na-akọ ịnọ na strike line
too much. Ekwutewe problem ị na-afụ ya ọ dị omimi ịghọta onye
I don't like that kind of word. I beg. You know the compensation. Shall we get wife for us? You get wife for us.
This woman be insulting me here. I have every right to fight am on my own.
I want to answer that question.
No, Gentle G, wait. Make Baba talk. Let them so I can go mute. You go mute everybody talk. Let them talk.
Whenever I'm calling Ogechi name,
but what do you gain from all this insult? Because she didn't insult you. Why are you insulting her? Don't do that, please.
God bless you. Annie, let me put it on a straight line. According to her. Let me put it on a straight line. According to her. Now, somebody that attacked my children, rest in peace. My kids, when Ogechi tagged them, rest in peace. One is 3 years old. The other one is 5 years old. While the other one is 2 years old. Ogechi tag all of them, rest in peace.
Okay, Meshano, dear. Meshano.
Oye ta dia kwa recipes yo ba ya for pot make up for
bring this up like idiot down so that I can
Let him talk. Let him talk. He has got 2 minutes more. If you keep interjecting him, then I'll keep giving him more time. Let him finish his 2 minutes.
God bless you. God bless you, my sister, my lovely sister. Chukwu gozie you. Your children of Ghana, Anambra. You must not okuta ya I said the devil must not see of you and your family. I said it shall be well with you, with your beautiful face. With your beautiful face. Actually, me, I don't want to name like a wine. Wine, name someone. I shut up, them and let me go with it. You are nobody. Shut up, I say, go shut up. And I go ask this man, I tell you, go to make on one letter. You go, I come to the judge. I post this man. I want to talk before disrupting me.
I go, Mekuna, they are pure. Mekuna, not take life too serious. You see this Baba so, eh? I go, because if they happy. If they put it on
like community name.
1 minute.
Talk, more than talk. If you want to. Baba, wait. Baba, you mute.
Please. 1 minute. 1 minute. I go on. Everywhere the noise now. I'm shouting on top of my voice.
Igbo must go preach on.
Anybody may interrupt, I will bring the person down.
God bless you.
Anybody may interrupt until you put your time in. If you interrupt him, I will bring you down. Continue.
God bless you. Igbo must go. Actually, not also who come in never do here. Apart from you, know any other thing. Now, I went to Ijele page. Ngu Ijele. Nya kozina anya Anambra. Na incha niile nọ na page anya Anambra yesterday, which is a moment time Canada or America. Germany 1 hour ahead of Nigeria. Na incha niile nọ na page anya Anambra yesterday till early morning today. Kelife na eseligu na anya Anambra. Owe na agbansi na nkole which is Val. Jiko we kpoye we see na onwo no nsie Ijele, you knew very well that Nkoli is under captivity of Ogechi Okoto Jaka. You knew very well that Nkoli is under captivity. Always say no. Now the problem una people are instigating Anya Anambra na Baliemba. Odukwaze kanyawa are anything. Nse Ijele. Iwo admin na page anye. And you cannot just up anyhow. And the worst part of it, I like you. Oh yeah, one call here. No egwe. No egwe. But I trusted you. I handed this money over to you. Always na buputalo. Ife ono secret. Na buputali outside. Because I must tell you truth. Etu anno. Ahame enyi Ijele 1 naira. Ahame enyi Ijele afu. But the way insi abu Ijele okupra apuko social media talk. Private is very, very important. Ijele now have that likeness and love in me. Ngwa yoku one gelumo oku. Agwalanya when Ogechi was insulted, even her sent the Shaloma videos Ogechi Palianya Anambra does. And say it does not matter to me if Ogechi Gwalanya Anambra. What matters to me if a Mwa Gwalo Ogechi. This is not my problem. Now, based on na oge pull na page Ijele, I got a business call. I tried to iron my business. Can settle all with ndemuna business. Then finish there with them. We finish and go work on online. And say come better. What is happening? Because more mana everything. Okay, if you invite Ogechi on your page, Ogechi cannot come. Even if Ogechi followers full on your page, we're going to have for on a hard and like yesterday, I know without proof. Tell them to bring proof. Like today, Ogechi was playing one video. When I'm gonna KC, sorry to say, just come on, KC Val one on my page. I just decided to leave that page because when even the Facebook or TikTok validation, I have other things to do. Now, on will video Ogechi play. Or say njikwoke ọtọ mmadụ imeji ụkọ na-echezi ka ego si ọtọ onye nkelo ọtọ onye ahụ nkelo ka ụwa niile efu ebe nkelo ọtọ mmadụ afụboro m ebe o gosiri ya ọjọọ si na-play video ebe m na-ekwu okwu Ogechi show where I played people's Ogechi listen. I'm 1,000,000% ahead of you. I know a day like this will come because when you are fighting your enemy, guide yourself. Okay, Chief, nobody. You cannot even play with my intelligence. Although possible. And there is nothing we make you. We come to Anambra and play an Anambra woman brain. It's not possible. Me, personally, I would never allow that. Ifo sone nyawolo. And today I was discussing with a closer person, not with IG. Let me not see tomorrow. I was on call. And if you hear what they are talking about this woman, you can't imagine. I na-ekwu okwu ndị ọzọ ya na Ijele nwere problem. Ekwutokwu Ogechi, I swear with my life. And I say, Mumu, apụgodu case this woman. Na ife a na-eme, let me tell you what they are doing. Na ife a na-eme ka ọ ghara ịdụ ka ya sị na aha eme. Na Ogechi bute case na Abuja, anala ego. Onye ọ gbara akwụkwọ, onye ahụ bịa, analụkwa onye ahụ ego release just nyagawa. This woman is a wanted criminal. This woman is a problematic to Nigerian government. Can I tell you now, when I see no office here, say picture Ogechi not there as a problematic person. And you cover the guy akoko. Oku ife meli Ijele ji akwali mungu. Oku no nwere any other thing. Nkowalu ga akoko ma ndị a na fight Ijele. Egwa na aka. Nkowalu ga akoko. Achọrọ m ikwu ụbọchị asịrị onye ọwụ na agada ka esetụrụ case. Onye achọghị isetụ case. Either na tirie na cell or na ejebelu court. These two things, one must happen. Now we Ijele. A tree cannot make a forest. Ogechi want to manipulate the gullibles on TikTok. And in Gumawi Ijele, no matter what, Anambra is an Anambra woman. Ogechi cannot manipulate her. And it's not possible. Unless you do that. A woman that is doing her international, that is fighting for the Igbo, not even in fighting for the Igbo internationally. Somebody like Igbo must go, not here. Confirmed Anyi. So many intelligent. Let me tell you something. I will call myself a wayward man. Because if I did not enter into this toxic rubbish and it's like, oh, okay, to rock case can't you ever into this rubbish. That is why I am calling myself a foolish man. But apart from that, I'm supposed to be among people like IGBO must go. People like some Anambra, people like intelligent, that is the people that are wisdom. I will wisdom, but I misuse my own. So now, tell me how I can be talking about Ogechi. Even federal government of Nigeria knows about Ogechi. That she's a useless person. Tell me how I will be talking about Ogechi. And somebody, and will come online and be telling me what to say. Or do possible. Anyi, eji chukwu na yo, all no nwere ife ijele melugu. Ijele duko stop, agwakongu na 100% right. Ijele too is stubborn. Ijele too ekwu okwu. Mana achọrọ m ka iwe n'ọnụma gị dajụọ. Maka o nwere ụmụ efu nọ ya na-eti. Ijele supposed to be. Ite oge echi ya. Biko, iwe n'ọnụma gị.
And the time I will like up to go 5 minutes for us.
Ijele provoke you. Mana biko, ewe n'iwe. Just calm down. I are high on this issue. Ayabatago, we go nowhere. IGBO must go. Chukwu gozie you. God bless you, Annie. God bless you.
Just 1 minute.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay. Look at my take here. My take here is this. You know, about I won't not judge. I don't ever judge anybody. Baba, Uriak one name. When you were, Hama Negata. All because if we were more, I chose will this platform. Saga. That's my consign. Or that if in a coup is your coup, I'm a commission in a webal. Or so if you may follow when on our Facebook. But my problem here is this. Even our mama, Anya Nambra, Nyahanma said, do happy if I happy Jane at this angle, happy Jane at this angle. How will perform maybe find name? Maybe a former the only one way fear but or a different soldier or the one or for name. Man, my problem how do if you didn't want to like bar problem everywhere on social media. I know that. Man, I just in at this platform only be a settled case. Onye nyani be na corner on about my problem. Is you can now no problem with you, my brother. Onye na gbasa saga. You got to go ori. Oh, no problem with you. You got to go. No problem with you, my brother. But even ne eba. Only if ever you set to case saga. Don't go happy on a platform. Man, na ya got if never neje. Okay, na anya na. E will go the whole time na. Mko if I can make do nya. Eke ozi ega actually ike. Akopia. And they make it if I make it that Doputia, Yanabra, 191, if I have to Aribe. Paribido Batara. I wish you go. Oh, now my problem won't be for so because Una Ataramota don't Elina Melune Bunam. Eh? Even the American can protect this platform for 191. Go maybe Fena get to see me. Because so many bad day, Otijel one day as a 1 day wine. Obia Keri go. Maybe for job. Ijela me follow Ijela wonye nkem na mana wonye na won abia ma be bia side ya the board na bia emelo nwa yi fire imechakwa onwe nde onwe ba na agbasaga eje gbalaba saga igotago do nwannem ahama agba saga hama akọgọ mo we bia mere attack igotago but if gbalaba saga Makana, ememe etu a, ebe ni na wuze ba na agbasaga da ke ogeshi, eje na nke keshi benko agbasaga, eje na nke jela agbasaga, abia na nke anya na mbra agbasaga.
nya ewuruzie ndị saga na enwezi ife anyị na-ekwu look at na ife Nigeria na-eme anyị enwezi ife anyị na-ekwu ebe a sọsọ ife anyị na-ekwu owo na onye amela anyị nka ma anyị nka ụmụ nwaanyị aghọtara m anyị na-efe na-agwọrọ ụmụnne anyị ka ha niile ụkwado ma oge echi ha niile nwanne anyị nwaanyị anyị etufuru ụlọ etufu ịghọtago ka na onye emekwa agwakwa nke o melo mana o nwere ebe anyị agwa ya ọha ebe niile ịghọtago donu unu etufu na m etufu ife na-ekwu ka o si wee dụrụ m platfọm a gwụ ka anyị preserve ọnụ ya were eme ife bara uru ọ ife na-ekwu onweghị ife ọzọ ebelivu na nwanne anyị nwaanyị anya na mba ya eme m understand all my stand ebe m nọ sinsi nya aha ana m ebe akwa ife a na-ebe akwa ife a si doonu unu enwere ka platfọm a were ebe anyị abịa ịgbasaga doonu biko ọgwụchakọ ha nọ na thank you all bye.
nwanne ikwuchago ụka niile ghọtago ikwuchago ụka problem oge echi na destin ya oriaka anọghị a ime ọbụla ya chenji aha ghọtago oriaka anọghị a tins akwụsịghị kwụsị ọ na-bịara iburu obi ahụrụ m ihe ya n'oge ịstadị na agụnwa akpọgide m nke mgbe ị kpọwara m na fon ụwa mgbe m nọ n'ọrụ bikos ahụrụ m dị saịn ọ nwere saịn m na-enweta mgbe m batara ka ahụrụ m dị saịn n'oge yọtago so this thing ga-aba like this yọtago bikos saga onye ewepụtakwa ụtọ onye emekwa eke ụka niile a na-ekwu onwe eke nwere isi yọtago
nwanne ewe na-ama iwe chukwu gọzie
mgbe oriakụ ga-eme ntị oriakụ gekwe m ntị ọta m nọ na m na-ekwu oriakụ asị m dị isi na ihe niile a na-eme ọgwụ a na-afọ ego ọkụ wachikowe eziokwu ihe niile akwesịghị ekwesị
ama afịa ọkụ oge echi na-afịa ọkụ my brother achọkwa nke marụ onwekwa ka ntị afịa ọkụ ịgwa m iwe we n'ahụ
oriakụ oke ụmụnne abụọ na-alụ ọgụ nwaanyị ụmụnne anyị ndị Igbo nwaanyị abụọ na-alụ ọgụ gana ị ga-eme ịgara ozi ị na-agbasa ọgụ bata ị na-aga di ya sọpọtụ ụfọdụ
my brother o nwere ife nchọrọ ịjụ na o nwere ife nchọrọ ịgwa let me explain something. I swear with God Chineke kele anyị nsọ niile ebe mụ na oge echi nọ wee bido problem because ife njibata TikTok abụrụ na mbịala Igbo sọ ọ maka na oge echi bata TikTok ka njibata achọrọ nke ịghọta m and ebe mụ na nọ wee bido problem unu nwere one man that is ogbulu out of her ignorance mgbe ọ na-eme NGO Mr. Obi that time people are fighting her from America mostly ebe ọ nọ wee kpọọ ya sie na mụnwa na run this program na ndị mmadụ na-akpọ na phone na-ekwu ife a na-agwa m this is the message they are sending to me oge echi go to this family.
How many hours can this man get through? How many hours?
My brother Chelunu. My brother,
I call this man.
My brother,
and they get blaming Dominic.
What would say like I'm more one man?
No peace. Are you not the one that called his name?
When the government say my wasn't so the mom land cook, I'll tell him government to react.
All those women explain now. He gave another thing.
This my brother.
You call her name. So let another person talk. Oh.
People must go.
This one that person talk.
How do you imagine Igbo must go?
No,
but somebody now just right don't too much. But I'll go up. You get you not where.
Somebody can say now they put too much because oh yeah that one running and data is finishing. And I
Oteno na wiki dish na live a man of them na watch I so just so say I'm joking me wiki dish na so ota na barika be so to iso be the kyota before You will keep some dish, you will keep push with them.
Evidence. Evidence, not kill out of
my brother,
evidence.
my brother,
You keep dish with them. She somebody killed her before.
yes, na nya kan tori nkwa ahụ now. Nya kan ife ya emebu ka nke ọtọ mmadụ.
Awụdị ka oge eji ụtọ mmanụ ọbụla nwaanyị Igbo asị kegide bifo.
Apart from ọtọ Ogechi, o nwere ọtọ onye ọzọ nji.
Mba ụtọ ụmụ nwaanyị, enwere ụmụ nwaanyị ga-ekekwa ụtọ.
Ogechi, o nwere ọtọ onye ọzọ nji. So kedu ọtọ nke?
Oke iji ụtọ nwaanyị Igbo pụtakwa na-asị iji ụtọ Ogechi, ị na-atọ ụtọ n'ọnụ.
Ọ dị ọtara ife m na-ekwu. Ịsịrị m na m enwere ike ịjụ isi na m eke n'ọtọ mmadụ. Ihe na oke ọta na m eke bụ ọtọ mmadụ. This is what I'm trying to tell you. Ọ na m eke n'ọtọ mmadụ ka a ghara ifo echi. This is what I'm telling you.
Oriaka, Akimana, I didn't tell Monyo on Facebook. Akimana idea.
Yes, now bring proof now.
Oriaka, ngwa onye mmụọ ị ga-amata onye mmụọ ọfụma. Ịghọtago? Gee m ntị.
Achọghị m ịgbado ya ụtọ. Sendara anyị.
Mgbe Palace of Justice na-ewi na Facebook, apụgodo anyị chọrọ ịgị nwada side. Ịghọtago? Adị m agwa nso. Ọkụ achọrọ ime na TikTok about Ogechi with nwanne anyị nwa Nkechi Benko. Ọ ga-emenye bet ọgụ a n'afọ ịga ọkụ. Na me dey tell you.
Okay, gwa nka nsị afọ ya ọkụ.
Nkechi Benko na nwanne anyị nwa Ogechi. Gịkwa m ntị Ogechi okwa nwanne anyị nwa ọkwa onye Igbo. Nkechi Benko ọkwa onye Igbo. Ịghọtago? Ọ na-like saga everyday na-agba saga. Some people ji na-arụ ọrụ ndị nọ yu. Some people ji na-arụ ọrụ nwanne ọ na-gwasị mara ihe o. Oriaka lakpo n'umulo ga-eme peace with ga-eme lakpo n'umulo apụ ndị a
my brother ka m gwa gị
ụmụnne abụọ ndị ụmụnne abụọ
my brother I like him okwu ị na-agwa nna mana mara in the Bible na-ekwuru ka mee mkpịsị aka ya ebujeghị ọkụ ma ọgụ bupụ data mkpịsị aka. How can a woman follow a woman we come out on social media ke ọtọ nwaanyị nke izizi oge Nkechi Benko ka ọtọ nwaanyị nke abụọ Mirabel pụtakwa online sikwa na ọ na-eke ọtọ Ijele 3 times nke a mere olugbo odo 1 month. My brother kọwalụ m
enwere m ike ikwu okwu nke m unu ekwukonu ọrụ weta ọnụ m mụọ ekwu.
You
can't talk.
Oriaka, I have a question for you. Can I ask my question? Can I ask my question?
Because Ikwere, hold on. Oriako, the way you name insult to I like him. To be honest with you, the way you start talking to women, I don't know you.
Because both of them are with Ogechi. Both of them are with Ogechi.
Respect yourself.
They
you better respect yourself. Okay?
Don't tell me to respect myself.
Do I know you guys?
For a long time.
Who is insulting you? Who is insulting you? I wanted the kind of woman it was around. You see this man? I'm gonna mute you. I muted you. And hold on. I'm gonna mute you. I will mute you again. I will keep muting you. Okay? So allow me to. I will keep muting you. I will keep muting you. Okay? So now I will keep muting you. Okay? I will keep muting. I will still mute you again. To respect yourself. You have to respect. Okay, how can you have to keep calm. Hold on.
Keep talking. Because can I mind that the use of our language?
Okay. Chere me ekwu okwu. Anyị enwe ihe mere observe ebe this Oriakụ or whatsoever. I don't know them. I don't know who is Ogechi. I don't know who is Oriakụ. I don't even know who is Jen or whatsoever, right? But if you work with the architect of this problem naga on. You let this man from voice in worker,
Thank you.
But from the way this man shall sound, your lifestyle you never make a walk Igbo. You never make a walk Igbo. The way he shall sound, no, hold on. You never make a walking. And don't calm down. I'll mute you again. Okay? I'm not here to rant. I will keep muting you. Okay? Allow me talk. So this man, I will still mute you again. I will still mute you. I will keep muting you. I will keep muting you. Okay, now what you win? I will disgwagwa. You gonna take and get you gonna take and get. I will keep muting you. So this man, we are gonna cause someone that problem. You check this man. He got for no one to cause all these women. All these women, what can I put one man? Mechano get back, he put one mother, Mechano get. I would say, he put his one mother. The way will contact the president Mechano again. The way it's now Mechano again. Keep calm. Mechano again. I'm gonna go Mechano again. You have to keep your mouth shut. You have to keep your mouth shut. Keep your mouth shut. You will learn to respect women. 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 I will keep muting. I carry her shower now. I carry her shower. Nothing else. I will keep okay, chere.
Baba, who remove him?
The man this Oriakụ, we are not that. Even from the way this man is making noise since yesterday, what kind of thing?
Hold on. Oriakụ is sorry, I'm having my lunch.
It's okay, go ahead.
Oriakụ is Ijele's friend. Okay? And Gentle G is Ogechi's friend. So now let me ask you one question.
No. Annie, don't, no.
Hold on, please. We're not stupid now. No, don't do that. You are.
No.
You are not stupid now, please. You are.
No, don't tell me that. I will not accept it. You just say what?
Don't drop him again. Don't drop him. Oh, may I talk? I want to talk something. So now, in this, if now we are a team here, right? And one of you or somebody, maybe News, be Royal or Bomos Go is having a problem somewhere. Are we not going to support Royal? All of us will support Royal. Ideally, of course. So that is what he's seeing. During that 2025, we had issues with them or Diego and co. And that Achadem. We were not supporting ourselves, and they were supporting themselves. That is how it is. But what I'm saying is, when you're supporting that person, don't unalive the other person. Just make it liberal, not too much. You know, not too much, just a little bit. You understand? Because if you push it too much, then there's going to be a problem. You understand? So that's what I want to let you know. They are friends. Okay, they are friends, and you can never stop him from supporting his person. Like the way Gentle G is systematically supporting Ogechi, but we're not seeing it very well because she's doing it very swiftly, right? But Baba 218 is doing it so obviously. That's why we are seeing it. So that's all I wanted to say. Thank you.
Okay, Annie, I want him to
No, I think Rhea was saying something anyways, but I don't know if Rhea.
Yeah, then you can go ahead with it. Okay, Annie, I'm not really against that man, but the way the woman abuse, I'm not comfortable with that. I don't make okay with the man don't even know who I am. I'm not on your womb. Yeah, be the rubbish, all those kind of stupid shit. You know? So I'm on your, but the way the woman abuse, I'm not comfortable with that at all. Remember? I think I'm comfortable. When you saw one kind of cause a problem, I don't know who they are. Don't get me wrong. Ogechi and all of them. I don't know them. But from the way Osina sound here, mbamba, is a no. Mba, I'm going to support you.
My sister,
I'm going to why your support you on support, right? I'm not against it. But if I make abuse, no, I won't take that from you. I gotta take that from you.
I want to answer a question. Eselemumba. Imepelano ijeli jinede semumba. That you don't want to answer my question.
Oriaka. It's only you could hear. It's a man. Otesha Bomwaya Shawona, we came back for you. Oteno Nebo get a Shawona, Ogechi with a picture on one Tina Media, Omele Batin Omen. Because of what I like imagine
my brother. Oya Chelu can saru ajijua. Mwe nwere ike mụ na anya Anambra enwere ike ikwu you dey craze or you dey mad thunder fire you mpụta akpọwa anya achawo. Pay attention my brother. Ọnụ ahụ ejebe ọnụ gbara aka. Amụrụ m ife melu na ụmụ nwoke ndị Igbo adịrọzi etu nwoke si abụ. Bifi ifu nwoke na omepe ọnụ do so wide to insult a woman. Ikwesịrị ịma na ụwa niile amalugo this woman as a notorious criminal. My brother, how can a woman put her on social media? Imo people melu tag my own children. My brother, o nwere nwa m na-agba bọọlụ na nnukwu club n'obodo a. My brother, I want to mobile mmadụ. The Ogechi they know me. Oh, when one na gba bro no nnukwu.
Everybody was
Away back.
My sister said, "Naturally, you walk and I wait." We talk. Let me ask you one question. Ogechi onokete otino na Ogechi onokete were picture ụmụ post ma nwede himere because on na nye kuka nye kwezi
the more in ajụjụ ka ọ ga-achọkwa ka ọ saa gị ị na-ajụ ya ajụjụ ya keep on repeating question ị na-ajụ ya ajụjụ Cheka Muakuo, he has been talking since Ebata. It's not true. He has been talking. Who rolled you down? No. Who rolled him? I told me, I'm not like Madi Yase. I'm not like Madi Yase. He has said the Roma Odiako. You understand? He is not in a way about we are all here to have fun. You understand? We are all here to have fun. Just calm all your spirits down. Imanambui Bata saying that now. This is not the voice and the tune Ejimalogi. You understand? So calm more down, put more game. Oriakụ butuo mmụọ gị Oriakụ asị gị butuo mmụọ gị Oriakụ butuo mmụọ gị ihe na-eme ebe a is not the best butuo mmụọ gị Oriakụ butuo mmụọ gị Oriakụ asị gị butuo mmụọ gị Oriakụ asị gị butuo mmụọ gị butuo mmụọ gị. Yes, ngagwa gị ya. Threat ọkwa nge Oriakụ. Enweghị mgbe onye threat na ya gị. Otakụ si atọ n'okwu. Mgbe onye threat na ya gị.
$1 million.
Asking when you threaten Yagi Oriakụ,
I have a question.
Can you tell me when you threaten Yagi at this place? You know when I'm not here.
Madam, can you rest?
Tell when you threaten Yagi Oriakụ. I want to hear you to everybody. Because everybody will near Kayan Wagi Oriakụ. Please don't threaten me again. Okay,
this Oriakụ na TikTok and on Facebook. All this problem is stop. All this
problem is stop. Straight line. Okay, Oriakụ, I'm sorry. Oriakụ, I am very sorry. I'm not on a straight line. Oh yeah, sorry, but you have to apologize to me too.
Sorry,
because if for my shower, or what was if for no shower.
Sorry, ma. Mmejọ Chineke na piano.
What I go? Oriakụ. I do not make evil for you. I don't make plan evil for you. You understand? Money him be an evil gibuna. I'm like it transparent. No, I'm not transparent. And they may have misunderstanding.
This woman said, me too we ka ikwere bi ni kwuo yo to ikwo na na eme bara here
all time ya
yeah my time ka nje ekwu no
host si ka ikwere bi ni kwuo okwu
mba we ya kwesịrị
ikwu na anyị kwesịrị ikwu
onye ma kwesịrị ikwu gawa n'iru nwanne nwanyị
kwesịrị ikwu. So, nyogodo Oriakụ biko. Adịla bias. Ebe ifo adịm transparent. Onweghị kabalụ nnọ. Anọ m na cartel ọbụla. Ana m eme ihe cartel. Ihe mfu n'iru akwụkwọ ka m na-ekwu. Ihe ọbụla mfu n'iru akwụkwọ nwe onye nkwunyelụ. Oge echime nke na-adịrọ mma ememi analyze. Onye ame nke na-adịrọ mma ememi analyze. Onye ọbụla analyzer ka m bụ n'iru akwụkwọ a ana m eme ihe cartel. Ije go and verify. Game verify. So Oriakụ asking on a straight line. I will cancel on a straight line. You go gbahalo.
Chukwu gozie gbaalụ mo etina m on a straight line do na azụ ụmụazị. Chukwu gozie
Oriakụ power. Udodi ihe njide offended Oriakụ bụ na a na-ekwu okwu ego, you understand? Ama m na gị na Ogechi nwee banta already ịghọta mana ote ikwesịrị ikwu okwu a you just straight to the point. O nwere okwu ikwu n'ikpete maazụ mpiki mgbe a sị gị round up, you understand? Okwu ahụ ka ịkara iji ibu ụzọ wee bido. Ọ bụrụ iji okwu ahụ wee bu ụzọ wee bido anyị akarị inwe this clash enwere ebe a kịta because isi na ịgwa gị jealous na gị na anya ama nwa okwu oyi kwesịrị ibu ụzọ bido na ya ji settle with anyị. Ọ bụ n'isi ụtọ a bido without ịkpọnyere Ogechi n'ime ọ dị clean. But now ịfụta gị akịta anya afụta gị akịta that na I'm for Ogechi why you are for ihe ọ dịzị ka two parts abịa na page ya na-achị saga. You understand? I'm not for anybody. I'm on it. I'm so that when we be here na MMC mmala ebe o si abịa onwe cartel na na-eme ihe cartel n'iru na this app ime cartel n'iru akwụkwọ ele gị ị na-eme cartel n'iru akwụkwọ a ele gị 1 naira n'ala ego is a simple thing ihe nji gbagote ebe a bụ maka okwu oracle mana oracle m chọrọ iji maka ya kwuo ya anọghọzi so is of no use so anyị nwanne m biko don't be biased ihe nji wee dịka ma esi na ama akwụ elu oge echi na mfe oge echi I'm not for anybody mana ọ nwere ihe mmadụ ga-ikpo o nwere ihe eji maka ya wee bịa ọ bụ na a bịara ebe a kịta sị na a na-ekwu okwu oge echi na ijele you understand if I'm not going to even climb your boss I'm not going to climb your boss
Gentle John because egega m oge echi ha kwuga na platform ha ishi na ọhụ for oge echi but o nwere one woman chemeche ka aha ya ịmara na anọ m the platform the woman aha ya wụ Cynthia she na nwehule na gị nọ na platform anyị na-edefend ga oge echi shi nwo mechie ọnụ anyị ahụghị everything and I am a package pambia here. So he kwula ka people who have eno the ten bia bagani. So he kwula jeba huna de jo ha mekuru ha he meku hu ha. But e bagani na e we no for ogechi. E horo no my brother.
Ya kan na gwagi cheka ngwagi. I am not okay cheka onye me ihe dị mma wait. Onye me ihe dị mma imanto onye dị mma. Onye me ihe dị njimanto ya. I don't want for anybody. If you like equal to me for 90 just December, I'm still telling you what I'm telling you. You understand? Since this banter, I never climbed any of them box or if from their comment section. Go and verify what I'm telling you. And I was even na boss so gay chibuna. Mbose putelo ku oracle no boy gay. No na on two. Mgbe ifu n'elu bọs ya ọ na-ekwu okwu abada that day
nghọta ihe m na-ekwu kịta na ha na-ege ihe anyị na-ekwu ọ bụrụ na ekwuru m na afụrụ m gị m na-agwa gị na kịta otu ị na-ebe a na-ekwu oge gị na baba na-ekwu baba chere ka gị na-ekwu too much otu a gị na baba na-ekwu okwu here Cynthia nọ na platform oge chiri on now as I'm speaking. Ha nọ there, Cynthia na-agba Ogechi na gị nwa nọ here na-edefend ga ha. Ihe anyị ekwuga ha there. Ogechi shi Cynthia why who je ekwu ihe a na the public na ya ma na ya ji another phone na ahụga gị. That otu ahụ kwuru people ahụ ga-abịa na platform a na bịa gbaga anyị. Ihe ahụ m kọgara gị na anọ m na platform a na-egekwa ha ekwuga.
Let me tell you,
Eso eme nke ọma gịtọ na-eme nke ọjọọ gịtọ ya ugodi m ihe abụ ihe ọma Ogechi na-eme and ihe ọma dise ijere na-eme ugodi ihe ọma abụọ ma ha na-emere ndị Igbo na TikTok a.
Okay, ka m gwa gị ihe ọma Ogechi melụ. One, you understand? What was in Ioma Ijele Megukwe? Two, which Muatu? You understand? One, oh, about that bute case here with one jadu na page Ogechi. Ogechi was nothing but the truth. See a je kwa one jadu boya. Na ya wasn't a one jadu na phone. Nya was na no kwa abagoni be chekwalu ka nkwusie nna gwa ebe nje hata kwa ya o nna gwa ebe mu ase hata ya you understand
na gwa ke ihe ọma Ogechi mere ndị Igbo ihe abụọ ma Ogechi mere ndị Igbo ara ihe abụọ ma Ijele mere ndị Igbo ị na-agwa nwaanyị ajado anyị ma nwaanyị ajado o
something that nwaanyị Igbo nwaanyị ajado bụ nwaanyị Igbo nwaanyị ajado bụ nwaanyị Igbo ọ na America.
Oge chọwa activist.
Ya ka must he be activist before or mee ihe o kwesịrị ime. You can still be an activist. Once you stand on the truth, you can still act like that. Can you wanna like you?
Check I'm just go get your stand on the truth.
Yes, on that case.
Yes,
I said yes. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
Yes. Check I'm jogging.
YES.
Because
yes.
I'm not name him now. You go get yes, get children now.
Okay.
Then Ogechi Kunezoku, Kemeno Jige Koto Mirabe.
Yeah, I'm on that side. I don't watch them. I don't know about it. I don't know Mirabel. I'm on Mia. I don't know
Mirabel we widow.
I'm on Monyo. I'm just hearing for the first time here. To be God who made me. Maybe my platform. I don't discuss Oku Gates on my platform. And let me shock you. Chereka Ngwazego Igbo Moscow. Otijele leaky with evidence here. They wanted to come and share it in my platform. Instead, man non do me. I told them, verify. I told them that na Mamubu Gen 2G na Arukobo. You know what even awage? Answer na Arukobo. Ishe otoi. Na mama nondo mfua otoi ijele. Instead, what ye do? Unyobuna.
Okay, that is personally to you. You don't support such. That's good. That may say a good woman, Igbo woman. But based on these two particular ladies now, no sense. Ijele and Ogechi. I want you to tell us one good. All right. So I can convince you the two things: the importance of these two people in our society, in Igbo community, the importance of these two people.
No, wait, I have to every for more than woman up. In wiki woman up. I'm going to number one thing in Jiato Gechi. I'm going to number one thing in Jiato Gechi. No melogeni. Na abada gbakuterie ka onye li aka na case o nwere with nwanya ajadu. And nwanya ajadu bụ because nwanya onye Igbo. You understand? So Ogechi wee ikpe anwa wee sia nne okwu apụgo n'ikpe na ịkpọ nwanya ajadu na phone. Na duru na yakpọsi ya na phone. Na gejebe na ikpe.
I put it to you that na in support na the other girl Okpeliikpe of Maduto na Gina Abada na-enwe akwanta.
Wait ka ọgwụ chana.
Abada jemere kwanta. Ke ihe mụ na Abada jemere kwanta. Inwe ike ịgwa m ihe mụ na Abada nwe anya nwe isi ma na ikwu kịta kila. Ike gwa m ihe iji si na mụ na Abada na-enwe kwanta.
Leave killer. Please.
No, no, I have to address it. No, she almost impression. Narrative will push you now. No, she have to clear. I have to clear that side. I have to clear it.
Don't derail. Let us continue. Let us finish with the Ajado woman that will get saved.
Then so also tell him not to interrupt me again.
Sorry, he will not interrupt you again.
So for the
go
fact,
ahead. How did you get to save that woman?
Save who?
The woman now in question.
Yes, you know what about some you know save the woman. Oh, what about this joke because about that the woman about that the woman or Rojobo. Only the Rojobo. Mnagin
okay.
Only me mother interrupt. Only who focus na me interrupt. I will go down. I don't answer questions like this. Allow me to speak. Then before you ask me another question.
Does that?
He says that no one is if mellow. If you let me interrogate or what?
How you come now, Joga? Man, make
This is not, no, so I'm not answering you again. You see that you are interrogating me.
Okay, that means when Uro get you behind.
Whatever you want to say it. That is for your own good. You are interrogating me, and I'm not ready to answer
this
you.
Woman, no, we are so
that means they will have a one issue. I mean, nonsense.
All of them. Hatching on a doubt December.
A man defend your principal, Wogechi. Then don't come here and be telling us nonsense. We have a lot of things to do.
People must go. Don't say I'm talking nonsense. Never you address me like that. You don't have that power to say I'm talking nonsense. Then you too, you are talking rubbish.
Bullshit.
You are talking rubbish.
Bullshit.
You are talking rubbish.
You're a very foolish woman. You're a disgrace to a woman.
What did she do now?
You're rubbish, man. Who are you to address me like that?
Who are you to interrogate me? The woman
who are you?
Defend stupidity.
Why would I be transparent to you? Because you don't want to be transparent.
Gentle, your phone. Because Nigeria.
You can't answer question. Come on, question.
Why would I answer you the question? Yes, why would I answer you that question? Who are you to ask me that kind of question? Why will you ask me that question? Am I here for the question? How many you come for the question? Then I will tell you.
Go to Ogechi platform and be talking nonsense. Don't come here and be talking nonsense.
Who are you talking rubbish? Who are you is talking rubbish? Please get out from here. Rubbish.
Get out of here, you dirty animal.
Who are you to address me like that? Who dare you? Don't sit down. Go and sit down.
Na this platform.
No, stand up and be misbehaving. Foolish woman.
I don't blame you.
Foolish woman.
Okay, wait. Madam, I may drop you. You know they hear words. I may drop you. May you wait when they talk. It's not good now. You know they hear stop. Now only go in the year. Go. You know they go. You know they hear stop. May you wait now. I think you wait. Make I talk. You know they go. I don't know what they worry now. They support. Let's say that word bias na new word for that new language for our Igbo people. That's not a new word. Bias. That's not a new language. Because every time Annie is biased. Is that what they give her all the meaning which they talk? She go talk her own. She go talk person own. She go talk her own. She go talk person. It's not good like that now. No, come on. Let's be honest. I've been muted listening. Right? I've been muted listening to you guys. It's not nice. Let's be honest. Okay? I know she's supporting Ogechi. That's fine. You know, we all have who we like. Like Baba 219 support Ogechi. That's fine. Oh, support Ijele. That's fine. We all have our favorites. It's not bad. I'm not against it. You know, someone said it's not true. That's your opinion. That's your opinion. You understand? So I beg, more I'm not talking me. Me, I'm not there for this guy small circle. We don't they bring money. I'll call the soon now. So they give me money. Say the fear dick. Now get she I want to make me money. I've been a jelly. I've been a who I was. I've been a baba na jetoji. Make me money. Say the fear dick. Can I go court? Nothing. Because if you hit all of them, nothing will come out for their body. Coco below. All right. Who is talking next?
You know, when you are supporting them, you become a good person. You're not biased. When you ask them simple questions, they can answer and defend their stupidity. Then if they fail to do that, then they go bias. Very foolish people. Hello here, Mega here.
They are not foolish. They are not foolish, please.
Are they foolish?
All right. Okay, who is the next person? Who is talking?
Hanchani Nebukufi. That woman Fukuma here. Hanchani sonete a mebumu ibonoboda. Na ya pwe na afeya. Ewata. Ewe ebe nke na-eme onye nke oji nke ya that woman ọ na-akpa afa ya now. Ọ sị na the other lady kpere ikpe ya ọfụma. All because of issue ya na that one mere. Up till now, he never deliver. Every day, on a day, all job, and when you page your pastor, now broke up every day, all job. Okay, carry this woman go to court. Ebe you could tell him again a hand move here. Usina, he won't get and DJ evidence. But this woman to court, can they make the right procedure? Nothing. All job every day, all job. Just no, jide Igbo name a truly and you here. And what in no another group, another pattern, which is now everyone the queer and abona. Every day is to this problem. Okay, Pukata, and then I'm mad and a honey exist in a apa. A water. This woman, and corporate alpha, could have been root Hanchasu. Duto na ijele n'onwe ya na that woman nwere ya na buku ya ihe mụrụ ji eburu nke ya na ka ọ bịa ebe a na abịa tebukwa onye dị ijele n'onwe ya kwa ha cha niile the whole nwanyị niile Igbo nọ na this app ha cha niile nwechara ebe ha chọrọ kwakọcha isi onwe ha so ama setụrụ nwede ya esetụrụ onye apart from nna onye ọbụla na-akpuo onye ọbụla buru nke metere ya ọbụla agbajighị gị aka iburu aka gị na-akpuo ọbụla agbajighị gị ọkpa iburu ọkpa gị na-akpuo that's all. And what about for whom you peace and where you get with them at all?
Okay.
Okay, I want to correct some expression from these people on a comment section. Let they should listen to me very clearly. A woman that respects herself will be respected. The way you address the way you dress is the way I will address you. If you are foolish, you are foolish. Don't come here and be claiming a victim. I don't respect women. I respect women a lot. My mother is a woman. I have sisters that are women. My wife is a woman, but they don't behave stupidly like you people that are writing nonsense here. You cannot come up on social media instead of you to think of how to be reasonable. Is how to create a chaos, create insult, create a saga. On TikTok, I want me to be respecting you. You need to respect yourself first before I'll give you the maximum respect. If you don't respect yourself, I will disrespect you to the core. I don't care.
Hello, can I speak?
Thank you.
Okay. No, Igbo unification came before you, right? Am I correct?
Yeah. He was. Yes, he was.
Okay. After Igbo unification, so then after Igbo unification, then Grok Estes, please. Let's do 3 minutes. Yeah.
Grok or the gossip, so I bet you again, my brother. Go on. Okay. Thank you very much. Dalokwano, good evening. Bikono umweki by. No matter the way why se pasani ka hape na akpọ ha those kind of ashawo akwụla ọ dịrọ nne ma biko ọkwa na-enye ndị other tribes ake na akpọ nwaanyị ashawo biko our women are so responsible, we are proud of them. Biko ka kwesị na akpọ ha names no matter the level of provocation. Second, just like I said yesterday, the two the Ogechi and Ijele ha chawo the same thing when he did yotala. For so when I am not one,
our women are responsible. Are they not our women?
Yes. Yeah, they are responsible. Nahana Basaga won't so, condemn them. Onwe be has major even will come biko. Onwe be has major. I think on like the men to call them and put them in order. But I discovered that most of our men they onwe come marry. If on this party on the other side, this other people and they may instigate, which is very wrong. Bikoni, we are not saying people should not do your saga, but itaha ndị Igbo putting na social media, oh yeah, na condemn. Unchi me your saga, do your thing. In a book, te otomo one in the Igbo na social media. Neke. You stood all the very wrong. Now we I watch our siblings, I'm woman. Bikoni, unu could see this rubbish name na this app. On your platform, you're now watching it because it's not just need trigger, it's all the wrong now. Then if maybe you'll get you 10,000 followers, you get 10,000. All these people, how much in the Igbo? Now it's 10,000 in the Igbos against other 10,000 in the Igbos. Bikoni, Ejichineke na you know, all the very wrong. Ndị na-ele na this social media buru ibu ọsọsọ ndị Igbo enwere ndị ọcha ma ndị gịnị na-afụcha this ihu na-ezuzu na this app. Bikoni, unu kwesị this rubbish, unchi ime these things, unu mara kunu ga at least unu respect our name as ndị Igbo. Ọnwa na akụ na-etepọta ya n'ishi. Echi na ifo ebe ndị Benin with ndị Yoruba na other people eji na-agba anyị gba. Anyị nwekwa ndị mụ ga-apụta, unu na ọcha bụ na anya na mbara anọrọ ebe a na-asụ ogologo oyibo from morning till night. Unu enye ya ọrụ. And other people ijele royal with eze Igbo must go. Everybody on the let's stress our brain because of stupidity. Unu create on social media. Because unu eme that rubbish unu eme. Man didn't make camera. You guys need to stop all these things. I'm a bunji aga. Because when you did video more rubbish things, unu ekezi na social media. Unu etanye poti n'ihu. Because the elders na the two parties. Everyone does it divided na social media. All the elders, elder forums, because you call your people in order. Put all these things is not necessary. A lot of things I can say now, but not saga. A lot of things na on na libo now. I can say pack on, maka gisi fix ya libo. Una neba na ako